through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
What up, chat? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Good evening. Praise the Lord. Glory to the Father. All right, welcome in, welcome in. Hope you guys are doing well. What's the deal?
You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the
All right,
Father.
let's get started here. What up, everyone? Welcome in. Hope you guys are well.
Wash away my shame.
Good to see ya. How y'all doing, man? Everybody doing good? Everybody good? Everybody good? George Poe in the building. What up, Zebs? What up, Jay Deezy? Adam 8 Figs in the house. What up, Adam? What up, Richard Lewis in the building? What up, Richard Lewis? Good morning, YOLO Trader. Bands, count it up. Count it up. Count it up. Man, just count it up. Pablo in the house. What up, Pablo? What up, Engineer 14 in the building? Gotta Trade is here. PM Magnifico is in the house. What up, brother? Z Gamer is in the house. George VDM, my man. My man. He's a natural. He's a natural. What's up, Golden Heart? What's up, Ava? Good morning. Big blessings, man. Thank you for the clubs, brother. Got the clubs ready to play. Ready to play. White Shark in the building. What up, White Shark? What up, DJ Scratches? What's good? What's good? What up, Raja? Good morning. Ewan in the building. What up, Ewan? What up, 3 Ants? How are you guys doing today? Everybody good? Good morning, Nikki. What's good? What's good? Yeet. Yeet. J Mac in the building. What up, Mr. BTC? Let me send this Zoom link and then we're gonna rock and roll. All right. Oh, my bad. I think I sent you guys the wrong link. Hold on one sec. One second. There you go. All right, Zoomers. I'll see you guys in a sec. Let's delete this one. Give me 1 sec here, chat. Let me just finish a few things here. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. Well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in to another New York live stream here. We're going to have some fun here today. It is the 4th day of September, so it should be a good one here. Let's give thanks for this lovely day. Ask the Lord to go with us here, and then we'll get started here. So let's pray real quick, and then we'll rock and roll. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus. Lord, we thank you, Lord, for a new day. We ask that you go before us here, Lord, today. Make our path straight. Lord, line the right opportunities up for us. Keep us away from things you don't want us to be near, and push us closer to the things that you do want us, Lord. We want to learn earn closer to you, Lord. We thank you for your presence that dwells amongst us, and we give you all the glory for the work that you're doing and continue to do in this community here, Lord. We thank you that hearts are turning, lives are changing, and that momentum is building, Lord. We know that it's all a gift from above, so we're thankful for it, Lord. We give you all the glory for it. We recognize you. We are nothing without you, Lord. We thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. Time to rock and roll. Let's do the dang thing. Let's go ahead and get started here today. Let me grab my tools. Swig swag here. We good? We good, we good. Amen's in the chat. Zoomers, what's goody? Hope you guys are well here today. Let's go ahead and get started here. So today again is the 4th day of September. It is what is today? Wednesday. Wednesday is today. And it's another day, man. Another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be patient, to self-regulate ourselves as traders and come into the game not really expecting anything here today, right? Just because the crew has arrived, that doesn't mean that it's time for the markets to do what we say, right? So let's just be observers here today, and when our opportunities come, we will strike, and that's how we'll treat this day, just like we treat every other day. It's done us very well up until this point, and no need to change a thing here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on in the news. Again, today's the 4th day of September. It's Wednesday. You've got some CAD news coming in a little bit later around 9:45. Other than that, only thing really USD related is going to be sitting right here. Major one is going to be right there. So 10 a.m. you've got Jolt's job openings here. That's going to be a red folder, as you can see, and that's pretty much all we need to be cautious about here today. Other than that, day looks pretty good, price action looks pretty good, and we could pretty much get straight into it. So let's do a top-down analysis. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like real quick, and then let's roll into it. What up, TK? How you feeling, man? How you feeling? TK's been up. That boy been working all morning. Let's go. All right, let's jump into the charts here, and let's go ahead and tell the story from time frame to time frame, and let's see what we can make out of this lovely day we got here. So taking a look, let's start on the weekly time frame because some things are happening here on the weekly that we need to be aware of. Okay, so looking at the weekly time frame, as you can see, we did close here bearish last week, which created a resistance here for us on gold on the weekly time frame. So being that we did have the resistance, you would expect the next candle to go ahead and drive down and fill that wick. So that wick has been filled at this point, and as you can see, it's just been a move down and then an immediate rejection here. So push price right back up on the weekly. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the daily. Same thing on the daily. So the big burst kind of came in yesterday, right? This is your weekly low here. This one right here, right? So this was the target, and the target did get filled, as you can see. Looking left, we tapped into that zone, and this daily candle, if you ask me, has done its job, right? So we watched it move down in Asian and London, and you know, caught it on the way back up and pre New York. So there's been I should say the targets have already been tapped, right? So that way now we can just see price continue to move up here. So let's go ahead and see what this rejection is all about on the 4-hour time frame, so we can kind of get a better read on price action here. So notice how we got a nice fake out here. Nice fake out here on gold's 4-hour time frame. So we came down, we filled the wicks here to the left, drove into that zone, ended up rejecting off that zone, and just completely pushing back up now. So we literally just retraced the entire London move in a matter of an hour and a half or so. I did take buys here, closed at the wick fill. Everything worked out pretty well on that one. Had a good read, went half risk because I didn't really like the wick that was there. But we'll get into that trade in a few minutes. But all in all, you know, we are pushing up pretty steadily here on the 4-hour chart, and it looks like we may have a fake out, right? So this right here, potentially, there's still an hour, 40 minutes left, but this could potentially be, you know, somewhat of a fake out here on the 4-hour chart to close back above the range here. So let's go ahead back to the 1 hour. Let's take a look at what we got going on. So the 1 hour still has clean range, right? Coming up towards 95, 96 here. So we want to see how are we going to react now, right? So we're coming back into this overall zone. As you can see, if I draw a white line here, you see the touches, right? Let me show you. Hold on, let me show you. Let me show you. Check this out, right? Touches, 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 right? So we really want to see what happens when we get here, how we react towards this overall zone right here at whatever this is, what is it, 2490? 2490. So this is a zone in which price reacts to quite a bit, and now we're up in this zone, right, on the 1 hour time frame. So will we create resistance for a pullback? Will we continue running? That is the question here. So let's look at the 30-minute time frame and let's see what's happening here. So 30 minutes been pushing up pretty heavily here, right? So you have this level right here in which we talked about that price has been reacting to. So I really want to see what goes down right here, specifically between here and here. And I think if we can get closures back below this range here, you have a nice move coming back down to continue flowing. If you remain above that zone, then I do like buys. I'd rather see price come down into this range here and create a brand new support. Meaning, can we get candles to come down, right? Create support, and then start to look for buys again, right? After this support has been formed, whether it be here, whether it be here, that's when I want to take my buys next, right? I want to buy right off of a support, not off of an overextended, you know, breakout here. So that's what I'm going to be looking for when it comes to buys. I do like sells below there as well. It isn't the greatest price action because we've just been pumping up, but you know, as long as you remain, I would say, below this range here on the 4 hour, then we're good to continue down here. So again, this candle has an hour 42 minutes left on it. Anything can happen. We can come right back down here pretty quickly. So that's what I got here in terms of what time is it? 7:17 a.m. Eastern. We'll see how we react towards this zone right here, and then go from there. I like sells a little bit better below 84, just because the fact that we are rejecting pretty hard. Yeah. Yeah. I like it. Like it. Cool. And that is that's pretty much the day. That is the day here. Yeah, 84, 85, whatever that is, 85. Yeah. That's it. So that's it, man. We got clean move coming down, clean move going up. Price can pretty much go any which way at this point here today. We've already pushed down, we've rejected up, but looks like price still wants to move down. So we'll just wait for familiar price action here. Cool. That is it, man. Keep it simple here today. Don't jump on these buys. Wait for a new support to form. And I wouldn't really jump on the sells in this range here either, because you never know if we just want to pop down just to close above and continue pushing up here. So just be careful in this range here if you guys are trading, you know, over there in your house. This is going to be a no trade range here for me, but anything above looks really good to take positions, and anything below here looks pretty damn good as well to take some positions here. So we got a lot of range today. Price has cleared out all the consolidation that we've been chopping around in the last couple days, and everything is pretty clean here. So let's sit tight, let's wait, and let's strike only when we have to. Cool. What up, Xander? What's good? What's good? What up, boys? That's the day, Stephen B. Think I'm gonna stay away from the 5-minute time frame. Smart move, G. Smart move. I think I lost $17,000 trading the 5-minute time frame. It was the bulk of my trading on the 5-minute time frame was the bulk of the money I lost in the beginning. I'm scarred. That's why you guys never see me go down there. Should we leave the Zoom chat here? I don't know. What up, everyone in Zoom? Yeah. Yeah, let me leave this over here. I don't want to distract. Mr. Tuffa. King Tuffa. King Tuffa. Enough love, man. Enough love. Hello. Hello, boss. What up, boss? How's the clubhouse going? It was lit, man. I think we took Asian trades, London trades, and pre-New York. Oh no, not pre-New York. Pre-New York was after the clubhouse, but yeah, we took a trade in Asian and in London. Yeah, yo, the clubhouse is lit. Clubhouse is lit. I like the clubhouse too because it's a little bit more tight knit. It's not as many people, so that's always fun just to get a little bit more personal. But yeah, we had a blast. We were there Asian session, we were there London session, and now we're here for New York. Let's do, okay, so buys above here, but you guys know the deal, right? Not until we get a support. So if we just get this candle to close above, I don't like those buys. And it sells below here. Cool. Yeah, and that's the day here for me as of right now. Maybe these things will change. These ranges will change a little later, but as of right now, that's it. Cool. Sweet. Let's see here. Someone just gave a sell on Telegram. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. When do you sleep? When I'm tired. Oh yeah, I'm sponsoring Coca-Cola. Yeah, we just gotta deal with them. Exactly. How many people in the clubhouse? About like 100 and something. Just where I want it. Amen, brother. Amen, Richard Lewis. Thank you for bringing the truth to the streams every day. Appreciate that. Always love seeing what you've got on a day-to-day basis. I'm in Luke chapter 12 currently. What a chapter. Hey Nick, why don't you wait for range 2 because the higher time frame is bear, and if we take a buy, it's going against the trend. So yeah, so the thing is with that, it does make total sense, right? I'm waiting for those range 2 buys, and I pretty much am. So I need a brand new range here, right? So in order for me to take a buy now, it has to come down first. So it has to come down first. Maybe it reacts to this 2485, and then I get my closure, right? So I'm not going to take a buy just yet. I'm going to wait here, you know, and I'm going to wait for that second range, and then I'll go for my buys right here. Yeah, so either way, I'm waiting for a new support here and a new range. Yeah. Yeah, I knew this was gonna move up here. I ended up taking a buy. I didn't really like the bottom wick, so I didn't go full risk here. But this was a money buy position. You had that fake out, 1 hour fake out, anticipating it to move back up. You had this area right here for partials, and then this was full target there for me. Yeah, it's a good trade. Good trade. I just did not like the wick, but I really like the direction on that one. Yeah, then we took sells in during London right there. So we took these sells here, so took a sell on the break of the lows, and then close, I think on this candle, yeah, I guess on this candle right here. Yeah, it popped down right away, and that was our closure. It's like 25 pips. 25 pip move. Nothing too crazy. 25 pips. Music on Zoom. Music on Zoom has been granted, my friend. Ask and you shall receive. Let's see here. Charts for stream? Yeah, we could take a look. Yup. Oh, nice, King Tuffa, starting the Gospel of Luke. Great gospel right there. Really enjoying it. Really enjoying it. Let's go to charts for stream here. Charts for stream. Hey, are the elites? Hold on, let me just send this in the elite group too. All right, cool. That should be everyone. What are we doing? Oh yeah, charts for stream. Let's take a look here. Charts for stream. All right. All right, let's take a look. We got, oh, whoops. All right, here we go. So we have gold, 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we got dailies bearish and have a wick to be filled. Okay, current 4-hour candle broke the lows. Yes, I like that. 15-minute breakout. Yeah, this is a beautiful move down. Yeah, I didn't take this. You had very little to no wick there, and I just felt like we needed a new resistance, but we didn't, and this moved down very nicely here. So great trade, great trade. Close full after tapping the zone. I like it. Yeah, you got that troublesome area to the left. Really, really good trade. What up, Travis? Good morning, brother. How are you, my man? How are you? All right, let's take a look at this one here. So we got a simple trade. All right, bearish day. Price has started bleeding pre-London. A bit overextended on the 15-minute chart. Waited for a pullback. Perfect celery play printed. Beautiful. 30-minute, 1 hour. Yep, close below support. Super clean range. Wick fill is my target. London volume. Nice job, man. Nice job. Yeah, we took this trade too. Good job. Good trade. W. I like how you caught that 15 resistance there, and then you got that breakout. That was like a 30 celery as well. Nice move. All right, what do we got here? We got 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour didn't close below, even though the momentum was very bearish. Seemed like an opportunity to take the fade play. Okay, but I didn't take it because I wanted to wait for a structure to form. Okay, even though it was good setup, I waited on 15. Okay, 30-minute close. All right. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Yeah, that was a good move. That was at like 5 a.m. Eastern, right? That was a little earlier. That was pre-New York, I believe. All right, this was I believe this was the same sell from the other one here. This was just off of the yeah, this is good. This thing ripped last night. Yeah, I didn't want to take this one just because it was a little bit overextended, right? You know, like the entry being here, and I get it, we did close below, and just that resistance was way up there. We had already moved, I believe, like 80 pips between there and there. So yeah, but yeah, good job. This is a good trade. Really nice move. All right, I think there's one more. If you guys have any charts that you want us to review, send them over in the charts for stream, and we'll take a look at them. Let's see. Impulse trade. Young Pipper. All right, nice job. Nice job. Yeah, I think this was the same trade I took here. Yeah, good work. Good work. We working, man. We working. The coolest part is not only is this working for me, man, it's working for all the homies, you know. It's working for a lot of you guys now, and it's a beautiful thing to see. What up, Dominic? Jamil in the house. How to join the, you can join the Clubhouse. Just go to the website. You can join the Clubhouse. I trade the 1 minute time frame. I have success. Smaller time frames doesn't mean you lose. Nope, not at all. Not at all. I have a lot of friends that trade very successfully off the 1 minute time frame as well. So remember, no buys above here like this. So we got. I'm gonna wait here. How was the Clubhouse experience yesterday? I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask the chat. Ask the chat. I don't know. I haven't gotten their feedback yet. Did you pray for the Clubhouse? Of course, brother. Of course. The Clubhouse was built in prayer. The Clubhouse is already built. You feel me? It's already been built in prayer, in the spiritual realm, and now you'll just see it come together in the physical realm. It's already done, though. Already done. Thousands of people are in the Clubhouse. Thousands of lives being impacted. Thousands of family victories. I mean, it's a beautiful sight to see. And you guys will see it very shortly. You'll see exactly what I see in the physical realm. It's coming soon. Yeah, I think it was a good time, man. We had a great time. We had a great time. Johnny Gems called he birthed the first trade ever at the TTE Clubhouse. I closed yesterday Clubhouse with 1.6%. Nice job, Alex. W. That's awesome. No top wick on the 15. I know. Let it cook. Let it set up. What time is it? 7:30? Yeah, 7:30 coming in. Starting to struggle a bit. No top wicks. I like it. Just got to wait here because we don't want to touch this no trade zone. Trust me. Yeah, yep, exactly. Only day one. On impulse entries, is it not necessary for 30 to give minor support and resistance? 15? No, not really. I mean, impulse entries are more so like if you're getting a good read on direction and you don't want to wait for a closure because volume's coming in, that's typically when the impulse entries are coming in. Right, but sometimes there's gonna be like zones and stuff that you want to probably be aware of. Like today, I want to keep this zone right here in mind, 85 here, and I don't really want to take my sells until we actually close below there, right? Because there's still plenty of room here on the 1 hour to continue up, and same thing with the 4 hour here. So yeah, and then the only way I take buys here is if we get some new support formed, kind of like this, like where you kind of came down, created support, and then boom, we take our buys. Take the buys. What's the Clubhouse all about? It's all about striving for excellence, really coming together as a community, trying to work together and sharpen each other. It's pretty much where we're doing live streams from Asian session into London session and then into New York session. So got the whole game on lock pretty much, and then we're gonna do some webinars and have some fun over the weekend and do some trade reviews. So it's kind of like the hub, you know. It's like the Clubhouse. Like that's where we're at when we're not on the live stream. So if you guys ever want to hang out with us more than just a live stream, that's where you want to come. You want to be a part of the Clubhouse with a bunch of other like-minded entrepreneur day traders who are all just striving to get better. None of them are quaking. They're all just locked in the zone and ready to get to the next level and willing to sacrifice to overcome to become. Who streamed London? I did. Yeah, I streamed London. Me, my boy Magnus was in there. George VDM, Scott was in there. It's a whole crew. You know, it's not even just one guy. It's just a team of people. Grind time, Mufasa. What's good? Yeah, you could just stroll in the Clubhouse pretty much anytime you want, and there'll probably be something going on in there. No sleep stops. Nah. I slept a little bit before London. So a little after Asian, went to bed and woke up, and I've been fired up ever since. What up, J Dot? Are we trading gold? Yeah, we are. Yeah. Goldie, Goldie. George VDM was in the house. Thanks for coming up and hanging out, George. What up, Josh? What up, Lights Fire? How was your birthday, bro? Did you have a good birthday? Hung out with the wifey? The wifey? Yeah, good birthday. Awesome, man. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. What'd you do? Anything good? Anything fun? London was lit. Yeah, London was lit. We were patient, that's for sure. We were a bit patient. This first move kind of ran down on us with no wick, but then we were there to capitalize on this move here. 20-ounce ribeye, W. Let's get it. What's up, Mando? Mando. Good morning, Tills. Never late. Tills ain't never late. Right on time, man. Right on time. What up, AB Sniper? AB Mike out here eating croissants in Paris. Living the dream. Let's go. $20-ounce ribeye from my man Lights Fire. How was that, man? Not gonna lie, my steak game has been on point lately. I've been cooking these steaks like perfect. It's like my new favorite thing to do outside of trading. Just cook steaks. Are these ranges the 4-hour top and bottom wicks? No, not these ranges. We were there yesterday during Asian session. We had price on lock here, right? We had basically this range. Let me show you guys. Pretty much had this range right here, but you know, we already broke out of this range. So this was like your 4-hour top wick. This was like your daily. This was your daily and your 4-hour wicks here. Yeah, so we had it on lock, but not right now. Right now the ranges are a bit different. A bit different. You wanted to trade NASDAQ this year. How come you didn't get into it? I sample sized it for about 5 months and really just I wasn't feeling it in the beginning of the year. We may give it another go and just start to trade it in the afternoon sessions. Yeah, I think NASDAQ moves a bit better after 9:30. I actually spoke to a couple friends of mine over the last couple days too, and just getting some pointers on NASDAQ. And yeah, a lot of them don't even look at the NASDAQ till like after 9:30. So no surprise we were having a little bit of a tough time with it. We were trying to trade it in pre-New York and New York Open and all that, you know, and at 9:30, right? At 9:30. So yeah, I think I'll give it another go here and sample size it for September, October, November, December, and then we'll see what's up come January. What up, Shelly? You're welcome. You're welcome. It's my pleasure. That's what we're here to do, create an environment of growth, and we're not going to stop. We're just getting started. Yes, I agree. I agree. US 30 and the NASDAQ, very choppy in that, and very like wild, like very unpredictable. Come the open, it's just a little different. You know, gold is semi-predictable during the open like that, but the NASDAQ is more of like a whipsaw, from what I've been watching, and it's almost like it's like a news event. Where do I watch TTE TV? If you go to my website here, timetrading.com, you can find everything there. So all you have to do is come over to Clubhouse, and then you can register. There's a bunch of different packages and all that good stuff. And these are the prices, and this is pretty much everything that's involved with it. And yeah, so just come over to the website. The Clubhouse. Come meet us at the club. How to fix dopamine? Start looking into biohacking. Yeah, start getting obsessed with real dopamine, and meaning like oxygen, sunlight, good healthy foods, right? Start to get your dopamine from natural sources, and exercising, you know, working out, things of that nature. Try not to get it from what's it called? Like, it's not organic, right? Not organic dopamine. Get you a girlfriend, you know what I mean? Pull up to the club. Ultimate Human Podcast. Yeah, that is a good one, Adam. I do like listening to that one. I really do like Gary Brecka. I like, I forgot that guy's name, but yeah. I like Gary Brecka for a lot of that stuff when it comes to biohacking. I also like, there's a kid named Joey Sorts who's really good. I like following his stuff. Yeah, these guys don't miss. You're welcome, HB. You're welcome. Good morning, Scott. Rise and shine, brother. How you doing? Scott was up there in London with us. And that's you? Sorted. Yeah, exactly. What's up, Kenneth? Good to see you, brother. God bless, my man. Yes, that's so true. That's so true. How you feeling, Scott? What's up, Mike Goat? What's good? Anybody take the fade here? Anybody? Yo, what up, Babadooey? Babadoo. Let me just, it's just Babadoo. What do you mean Babadooey? What up, Babadoo? Babadoo life. That's it. Right? It wasn't that hard after all. I've always avoided saying your name, but it's actually pretty simple. Babadoo life. Yabba dabba doo. Afrobeat, nice to see you here, man. Nice to see you. What's up, Arnold? How are you, bro? Nice job, PM Magnifico. Hunting the next best trade. I like it. That's all we're doing here. We're just hunting. We're hunting. We're hungry too. So we want to eat, so we don't want to scare off the prey. We don't want the prey to injure us, right? We just want to wait for the golden opportunity to fire our bullet. I'm already up about 1,000 today. I'm probably going to play with the house money here and see if we can go for 2,000. See if we get a good trade. Let's see. My goal is to make 50 a day. Today I lost 50. Any advice on how to react on losses? Yeah, you know, if your goal is to win 50 a day, then that most likely means on your losing days you'll probably lose 50. You know, so it's just a red day. You know, you come back, you look for your next trade, and maybe it'll be a green trade, right? And then you'll be back to break even, and The only advice I really have, whether you win trades or lose trades, is just show up and look and wait for the next best one. Right? The next best one will always get you back into the probability game. No need to overthink, gang. Seriously, no need to overthink. Just show up every day, look for good trades according to the system. It can really be that simple. You're going to win, you're going to lose. That's how it goes. Guess what? Hey, I'm here to tell you guys, guess what? Some trades you'll win, some trades you'll lose. It's the game. Just because you lose a trade doesn't make you a bad trader. It makes you a trader. Nah, Scott, I didn't cook no breakfast, but I did spend time in the Word. Did get some exercise in too, which was good. Stephen B is in the house. Stephen B, what's good, brother? I like those golf courses you've been sending me, man. Sheesh. You rich. You rich, man. I'm trying to get like Stephen B. Playing on all these fancy courses. Sheesh. That boy rich. Yo, what up, Magnus? What's good, brother? Let's see. Who's texting me? Whole lot of money. What up, Zoomers? How y'all feeling? Looking like a bag of money, all you guys. Damn. Just open that up. Holy, all I can say is holy. There's some sharp dudes out here. The prodigal, hey, a prodigal son. I like that. Kenneth. Hey, what you working on? A nimble over there? That thing is sick. Look at that thing zooming in like it's like, that's fire. What do I want to do here? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, TK. Yo, how's that thing zooming up on you, man? Looking like professional videography over there. He's got his own cameraman chilling in the passenger seat. Let's see here. Let's see. Pia Magnifico spitting facts. Oh, did I miss it? Did I miss it? Oh, nice, dude. Yeah, my man's grinding. Let's go. Working. Running that Uber Black. You running that Uber Black over there? Where did I take the pre-New York buy? I took it off the 1 hour candles here. Yeah, right here. Just had a really good read on that. Had a feeling this wick would get filled. Closed my partials right here. It was right here, this trade. So entered on the break of the highs, went half risk because I really didn't really like that wick at all. So this bottom wick, so entered on the break of the highs and just had a good read on direction there. Yeah, just felt good about that. And now we wait for our next opportunity. Let's see. NFP is coming in on Friday. Yes. Yeah, so we got NFP on Friday. We'll have a lot of volume. Yo, that camera is TK. You see that camera, bro? That thing's sick. Like, how's it following him? Like, what? That's sick. I think that's that camera we were looking at, that nimble, right? Like, how'd the camera come out the car? Tripping. How's the golf journey coming along? Pretty good, pretty good. I'm having fun. Just hanging, laying low, hanging loose, you know? Yeah, golf's pretty good. Golf's pretty good. I've been playing really good. My last outing, I didn't play too well, but all the other ones I've done pretty good. Trying, man. You know, trying to get better. Trying to keep up with these guys like C. Melly and Stephen B. and Big Blessings and all these dudes, you know? All my rich friends. Love me some rich friends. Oh, word? You getting some lessons, Stephen B? Stephen B, if I play with you on the golf course, you're not going to give me like 150 tips, right? I love playing with golfers. Oh, yeah, let me get you some tips. Let me get you some tips here, man. Let me get you some tips. They love giving tips. How many of you guys play golf? You go with an experienced golfer, tips galore. Next thing you know, you're doing a backflip and then hitting the ball. You sure it's supposed to be like that? You can use the breakout on multiple time frames, but we're normally executing. Yeah, typically on 30 minute, 15 minute. I mean, just look at the data. You know, that's typically what I'm just gonna go to. Look at the data. So far this month, it's only 3 trades, but let's look at August. A lot of that was 15, 30 minute. Yep. Yeah, not too many 1 hour trades at all. Last month, not too many at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. 4 trades taken off the 1 hour, and we were talking about this in the Clubhouse as well. And I think that has a lot to do with tightening up our bias on the higher time frame. So if you notice last year, you would see more like 30-minute 1 hour trades. Even if we go to like other months, see how it's like 31 hour, and that's because we had really fixed our bias at that point on the daily time frame. So looking at the daily, you're gonna make your decisions based off of the 1 hour, 30-minute time frames, 4 hour time frames for me, right? So once we really started honing in and getting acquainted with the 4 hour time frame, that started to allow me to learn and understand and, you know, figure out when to use the 15-minute to our advantage. And that's why you see a lot of 15-minute trades here, because we've really been focused more so on that 4 hour candle versus the overall, you know, daily candle. So I think that had a lot to do with why you see 1 hour 30-minute over and over last year, and then typically on this year you see a lot of 15-30. Right, we just tightened up that bias. That was it. Got a little bit more closer. Yeah, you see a lot of 30 1 hour here. And look at this year, 15. Look at all these 15 minutes. I remember when one of the guys was like, yeah, man, I don't know, man. What are you doing with the 15? You know, I'm just like, bro, just let me cook this up, man. Let me focus. I'll let you know in a couple months. Just wait on it. Callie in the house. What up, Ricky? Good to see you, bro. What's good? Yo, what up, Ryan? Good morning, man. Good morning. You guys, what good questions you guys got here today? We got some time together. We'll be here for 8, 9, 10, another 2 hours or so. So if you guys got some questions, let's roll through them. We got about 5 minutes for NY Open. and let's change our lives here today. Let's figure out some things. Let's gem hunt. Let's get our questions answered. Let's just play. Yeah, Stephen B. Hitting a ball with a crooked stick and then doesn't sound fun to me either, man. Can you check the 15-minute support being created? I think we should wait. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look. Which one, brother? This one? To break the resistance? Yes. So I'm not taking a buy here unless we get a new support. So I won't, as we mentioned earlier, right? We need a new support in order to take that buy. So I won't take it just off of this breakout here. I need a new support in order to take the buy. How do I identify a quality setup? Just go look at the playbook and then line it up with that. And if it looks like that, then you go ahead and take it. A quality setup doesn't necessarily have a look because it just more so has a number attached to it, a probability attached to it. So, you know, my setups that I use aren't the only A quality setups. There's probably hundreds of other ones, you know, so you just got to find good setups with good probability on them, and then those are what they look like. So for me, I like to buy and sell off of, like, I like to sell off resistance. I like to buy or sell breakouts. I like to take impulse entries after price has been overextended. And I've got a good read off the higher time frame. So it depends on what strategy you trade. That all depends, you know, what a A+ setup looks like. New to the channel, what's a fade? A fade is an impulse entry taken during a high time of volume where we're expecting like a resistance to form. Let's say we want to see a resistance form here before we take our sell, right? Typically during high times of volume, the resistance won't just kind of plant there for you. It ends up actually moving here. So the idea of the fade is taking an impulse entry and not waiting for this candle to close, right? Just banking on the volume and the hints and clues that you have, you know, printing off of candles, and then that's your position, right? Because there was a lot of times where we wanted to take sells, but we were waiting on a resistance to form, and by the time the resistance formed, that's what it looked like, right? So we got into the swing of you know, taking impulse entries, and we call it the fade. It's just the impulse entry. Did I hear about Don and what he did? I did. Yep. Yeah, I'm doing great, Ryan. Yes, sir. Would the 5:15 a.m. 15-minute candle be a valid entry? Let's take a look. 5:15 a.m. Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention when this happened. I was in the shower. Yeah, I seen that when I came back out. I was like, damn! We had a good read on that, though. We knew that would pop back up. I got it a little later. You know, I took that. Still grabbed some pips there, but that was really the money entry. Damn! All right. 28 seconds here for NY Open. We might close above, and if we do, we may push up, but I really don't feel comfortable taking buys here. We might just continue up, though. Yeah, I need a support. Fade happens a lot there in pre-New York. It does, yeah, it does, because typically London makes a big move, and then pre-New York kind of corrects it a bit. Johnny Stu is here. What's good? What strategy is the most profitable? DM me, I'll let you know. Send me a DM. Send me a DM. I don't want to let that out. Hit me up on Discord or Insta. It's Nick Stu R. No T. No T at the end. Hit me up, Nick Stu R. That's my private account that I only sell the super duper handy dandy, findy dindy, whoopty hoopty, profitable 100% day trading strategy. Johnny Stu in the house. Johnny Stu's got it. That's why he's a 19-year-old millionaire.
How you doing?
What up, John?
What's good? Good morning, my man.
How are you, bro?
I am doing absolutely amazing, bro. Blessed to be here. Grateful for another day. How you doing?
Blessed and highly favored, brother.
Yes, sir.
Blessed and highly favored.
Let's go. Yo, good morning, Zoomers. It's good to be back. It's good to see your guys' beautiful faces again. Good morning, YouTube chat. Hope you guys are doing great. Have a beautiful day here today. Focus on building good habits. Let's be patient, disciplined to the plan, and we'll let the compound effect work in our favor. And keep stacking those W's, Nick.
That's what we do.
Yep.
That's what we do. What's up, Andrew? How are you, bro?
Andrew, good morning.
Yeah, so now if we get a new support, then I like buys, right? But we need this candle to close bullish right here. Then 830 should take us up.
Yeah, I'm looking at the same thing, brother. Same plan.
Yeah, I don't like this seller here really at all. It's just way too high up.
Yeah, and we're also at that resistance level area too. It's like some supports and resistance to the left.
Yep.
Pretty much identical to the resistance we just created.
Yeah, this is exactly where we were at the start of the day. Right here. Right in that range.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're back. We're back to testing it. We kind of broke out of it and now we came back up. So we're knocking at the floor here.
Yep.
Let me in.
Come on, gold. We're negotiating the deal with gold right now.
Yeah, let's see what the range is looking like here. Cool. Enjoyed Asian. Nice, Adam. Glad you enjoyed. Yeah, John held it down. First Clubhouse trade ever in history taken by Johnny Stu in the Clubhouse. Let's go.
Oh,
Johnny Gems fired one off. 20.
love you, bro.
25 pips in profit or something?
Yeah, about that. Believe so. Yep.
It was a good trade.
Hey, grateful to do it. Happy you guys enjoyed the Asian session and New York session yesterday in the Clubhouse. I'm freaking excited for today. Can't wait.
Yo, for real.
I had a great time as well.
Yeah. Holy. What the heck?
Yeah, I did take some buys in Asian too, but I got break even.
Nice. Low BE. Asian has been pretty good. It's pretty good to gold lately. Asian session has been very nice. Been moving good. Yeah, that's why I've like very interested in trades during Asian lately, especially in the like these later part of the summer months. Really been working out. Is it a good fade on the 1 hour? Yes. I just don't like this area in here. So that is like a no trade range for me. So I like sells, but I'd rather you get a 30 closure below this area here. Looking for sells? I'm looking for sells, definitely. If we can close below here, I really do like sells. This area here.
I'm pretty open for both buys and sells because it seems like we're bearish on the higher time frames, but we're also rejecting at a support also. I'm down for both. Hey, W Adam, let's go, bro. I enjoyed the night last night too, man. It's a great vibe.
It's a vibe. It's blessed. What up, Dropout Trader? What's good?
Dropout Trader.
Yeah, 4 hours struggling here now. Struggling. Last couple candles here, not really doing much, right? After this bigger push, starts to slow down and the fade doesn't really work, and just give this time to set up here. I'll be right back. Hey, yo, that was nice last night. I heard you dropping some gems about that one trader. That was fire. I seen the notes. Yeah, they made notes in the Discord about it too. That was fire.
All right, fire. Let's go. Thank you. Yeah, man. 5 secrets. Last night in Asian session, I gave the Clubhouse the 5 secrets of trading from Peter Talkman. So there's some heat there. Yeah, hopefully, guys, you took those notes down, man, and you know, it's helped my trading, and I'll be blessed and grateful if it helps yours as well. Let's get TK, Andrew. Yes, sir, bro. Fire day yesterday in the Clubhouse. My man Daniel, let's go, bro. You're on. My man's doing them push-ups, putting the work in. What makes you disqualify that the seller play there? I think this could be a trip up. Yeah, if you look left, brother, at that 30-minute resistance, there's another resistance right there, and you also got a couple supports there also. Let me just look. That's like right around that right below 24.92, right? You see a lot of supports, and we got a resistance there too. And then you also see the 30-minute, the 8 a.m. candle, pretty much copying exactly what's going on to the left, right? So, and that's a huge key factor with these playbook setups. We want clean range to the left, right? We don't want to take them going into resistance or supports or rejection areas, right? We want clean range. And we are pretty overextended for buys too. Yeah, shout out Scott, shout out C Melly. Them boys held it down with me in Asian last night. I had a great time with them, and yeah, it was awesome. Let's go to F4X. Good morning, bro. I'm doing awesome. How you doing? What's up, Pablo? Henry Hustle. What's up, my man?
Henry Hustle. W.
What's up, Wags? Miko, good morning. What's good, Zebs? Nah, I haven't taken anything since that break-even trade Asian. Being patient now for this new day. We run it right back.
No, this is the 1 hour. No, this is the 30-minute time frame here. Yeah, 30-minute time frame. Bernard in the house. Let's go, Bernard. What's good? Talk to me.
Bernard. What's up, Bernard?
Any suggestions for full what?
Full margin.
The only full I know is full margin. Full-time workers to learn how to trade. Yeah, try and pick a session outside of your job, so that way you're not trying to, you know, carry 2 plates at once, and just lock in. You know, make time to study in your off time when you're off of work. Take a month or 2 to just study, and then after you study enough, go ahead and pick a session one session that doesn't interfere with your job, and then just start trading that session, doing the best you can, and learning from your mistakes, getting some feedback. Maybe if you're going to trade our style, then maybe you can get some feedback, posting your charts here in Charts for Stream, and we could review it and give you some, tips and things like that. Take your time with it.
We're
You have a full-time job. No need to rush the money. Just learn the skill set, and then over time, you'll attract the money.
Yes, sir. Jim Rohn said, let your 9 to 5 make you a living, but let your 5 to 9 make you a fortune, bro. So, right after you work, make sure you're, still working on yourself every day and working on your other goals. And I would look at it like this job is paying me to leave eventually, right? I would look at it like this job is helping me, it's paying me to learn how to trade, So it's keeping my needs covered so I can learn how to trade, and I can, be willing to risk some in trading, take some losses, and be good and give myself some time to learn, and then maybe eventually leave, right? But yeah, it's good.
You got this. You got this. Give yourself time to grow.
There.
It's like learning a new language. It takes a little bit of time.
Yeah, Wags, that trader's name is Peter Talkman. Yeah.
Shout out to Peter.
He'd be in the New York Stock Exchange. He was dropping some heat to me, so had to give it to the chat as well.
Chat. Yeah, all it really does take is time. You guys know that Post Malone song, right? All it took was patience, right? It really you don't really develop edge unless you give it time. Too many people hop from system to system too quickly, that they don't spend the necessary time in that one system to learn like the details of it. So once you do that, once you plant your stake somewhere, it's just a matter of time, right? That's when time really becomes your edge. But while you're out there searching and jumping and hopping around from strategy to strategy, the time isn't really ticking yet. Time's not your edge yet. At that point, you're just looking for the best way to trade, right? But once you find that way and then you dive into it, that's when time becomes your edge. So if you've just been jumping around, you haven't even started the clock yet. So why are you doing that to yourself, right? Why not just fix yourself on one strategy and learn from there? And then once you have a boatload of money and you don't even know what the heck to do with it, then go make up your own magical strategy, right? But until then, just copy people. Just copy people.
Reverse engineer, G.
Yeah. Just find out what works for others, and if you like it and it resonates with you and connects with your brain, and then go ahead and just lock in on it.
Right. All you need the blueprint. Once you got the blueprint, you just have to reverse engineer. And we're showing you the blueprint right now. And when I'm trying to accomplish certain goals, I look at it like a mustard seed, right? Like I'm planting a seed. That's how I look at it. I would be a fool to think that seed, right after I planted it, that seed's going to grow the next day, right? I'd be a fool to think that. As I plant the seed, I understand that seed's going to take time to grow into something bigger. And I have that same mindset shift into my goals, when I'm trying to accomplish goals as well. So it's a mindset shift you could do also.
Sometimes it just takes hearing these things over and over and over again.
It does.
Before it clicks.
Right.
Sometimes it takes 10 years for something to go through an 8-inch space between your ears.
Right. Hey, man. It took me to read affirmations over a year, over and over again every day to really get it programmed in my head. So yeah, things take time.
Yes, sir.
And you don't even know why it has to be like that. Those are just the laws we must abide by, in this game. So yeah, in the Bible it says there's going to be things you're not going to ever need to know, or you're not going to ever understand. It's just we need to take the knowledge that we can get and apply it.
I like it. Chat, what habits have you guys really incorporated recently that you feel has helped you overall be more productive or just more focused, like on a direct path to your goal? Like any good habits that maybe can help some other people out in the chat. Maybe it's reading, maybe it's listening to podcasts, maybe it's journaling. Like, what's been the big one? What's been the biggie? What if your trading strategy takes long time to form, so you can't use it daily? So mixing some strategy in for short term. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I guess that would work. You have a swing strategy and then maybe like a day trading strategy. Sure, why not? Watching this stream, W. Working out, very good. Morning routine, I like it. Waking up early. Affirmations, reading the Bible, nice. Journaling for sure, awesome. Attempting to read a book every 2 weeks, I like it. Aggressive. The big one for me has been the morning routine. Nice job, Matt. Reading, yeah, the morning routine and the reading, those are things that really help me out. Bible studies, yep, first thing in the morning, I dig it.
Nice.
Awesome.
I love it. These are the habits I want to hear.
No. Not right now. Yeah.
Hey, J Mac, nice, bro, lovely. Yeah, I love the
Taking my
exercise,
time and
bro.
everything. I like that. That's good. What are you up to?
Nice, Stephen B.
Morning routine. I like it. I like the whole taking my time with everything. You don't hear that one too often, but man, that's powerful. A lot of people really rush things. Take
Right. Instant gratification, man. Nice, Adrian, nice.
Just joined the Clubhouse. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Prayer and meditation. Yeah, I like that. Gratitude. That's the big one. That's been the big one for me. It's always being grateful.
Right.
Self-reflection.
Especially in the morning. It gets my attitude in the right place to start my day. I'm already starting my day on a grateful note, right? So I love doing that in the morning.
You guys should check out the 5 a.m. Club. For all you guys that like the whole idea of the morning routine, it's a good, really great book, actually. You don't have to do everything he's talking about. But man, what a book. What a book that can significantly probably impact your life. What did you say on my IG handle? I'll pull it up in a sec.
Very interesting book, too.
It is. It's a good book. It's a nice story book.
Entertaining. Yep.
It's a good book. Trading with a group of top G's. Let's get it. Yes, my Instagram right here.
It's good to see Malik.
Waking up 4 a.m. Nice. Workout. Clear my head. Yup. Process, not rushing. You know, when you wake up early, you can kind of wake up slow. You don't have to rush, man. You guys ever wake up late for work or something? You gotta rush. Man, that way of waking up is horrible.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, the Clubhouse, yeah, you'll see the rooms available in Discord. Just give it a little bit. By the end of the stream, you'll see it. Yeah, if you just subscribe, just give it a little bit, and then you'll notice the rooms and stuff. You'll see them. Yes. See, this is my IG though. IG. Yeah, been moving around, been making a lot of connections here lately. Lots of connections. Been moving around.
So, how do you do gratitude in the morning? Yeah, just write down about 5 or 10 things I'm grateful for. And that's really it. Simple.
Yeah, I also think of a lot of things too. You know, I don't necessarily write down everything. I just get my thoughts in this like thankful state, this grateful state. You know, before I even really leave my bed, I'm already just consciously grateful for probably over 10 things.
Yeah, thoughts, writing it down, thoughts, the same thing, really.
Yep. Any tips on networking? Yeah, I mean, if you want to network with higher level individuals, find out where they are, and then if you can, figure out a way to really just provide some sort of value to them. It's one thing to go there and get your questions answered. You'll leave with an answer, right? It's another thing to go there and see if you can provide any value to them, and you might leave with a connection, right? So connections are huge. You want to make connections all throughout your life. You never know where one handshake can take you.
Facts.
Rushing in the morning is terrible. It really is. Throws off your whole day. Whole day.
And,
Yeah, networking is
What's up,
big
Scott?
though. I've been very big into network. I've been always open to meet like-minded people. I'll always pay the fee. Anytime there's a networking event and I want to be there, I have no problem paying the fee to get a chance to, you know, rub shoulders with guys that I want to, you know, learn from. So I highly recommend going to networking events. That's where I've met some of the best people, where I've had the chance to learn from others, even impact some other people. But I love the fact that you can go to these networking events and just meet like-minded individuals, people that are going to ask you, hey, what do you do? And you're going to tell them, and they're going to be like, wow, that's freaking awesome. Not like your friend, you know, Billy Ding Dong. Why are you going to do that, bro? Why are you going to do that? You know what I mean? So it's just another opportunity to mesh with like-minded individuals. Billy Ding Dong's got to watch the bonfire. Make sure nothing happens to it. You tell him, Billy, just wait right there, buddy. I'll be back. I'll be back. You sure you don't want to come with me? You sure you don't want to come with me? That's what I asked all my friends. I said, brother, we're going places. I figured this thing out. I know that there's laws that govern success, man. Come with me, man. Come on. And they said, what? Bro, who's going to watch the fire here? What do you mean? Why would you want to go do that? I said, all right, man. Maybe I'll come back for you.
He never came back.
Never came back.
He only came up.
I just led from the front. I just lead from the front.
Yep.
Going to my first networking event, trying to prepare myself. That's awesome. Good job. Good job. I go to networking events all the time. Billy's ears. Billy Ding Dong.
Billy's a troll.
That's C. Melly's boy. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, money can only get you so far in life. Yeah, creating those genuine relationships are the key. They really are. They really are. Every friends group has a Billy. Oh, man. Billy. What are we going to do with Billy? I wish we had networking events in Italy. I actually think Luke Belmar is going to be heading to Italy or somewhere over there and doing a networking event. You should try and tap in.
Yeah, I think he's about to do it in Singapore.
He got Singapore, Bali, and I think Italy coming up. Nice. Billy's lost. Let's go. W.
Yo, facts, bro. Same here. Billy's Lost. One of the best books I've ever read.
Yeah, the 5 a.m. Club was good. If you guys like reading 2 books, I'd recommend reading like more of like a, I don't know, thick book, right? Like a actual teaching book during the day, and then at nighttime pick a nice like storytelling book, like a book like the 5 a.m. Club. That way you go to sleep with that story kind of rolling around in your thoughts. All right,
Great
we are
point.
coming back down. Come to Italy. I'm sure we'll be there at some point.
Yeah, it looks like that flare. I was trying to create some support.
How do you get over the fear of having nothing to offer while networking? Then maybe just go out there and shake hands. Observe. Watch people.
Be a
Watch how
sponge.
successful people move. Listen to their conversations, right? Just hang out in the circle and just observe the way successful people do things, and I think that you can get a really good amount of value from the networking event just by being a sponge. You never know. Maybe you hear something at that event, a light bulb goes off. Next thing you know, you've got something to offer. Never know. You might hear a guy say, "Oh, you know, I would do anything for this." You go, "Well, I can get that." You know, maybe you have something that's very hard for that person to get. You just never know unless you're there, unless you're in the room.
Facts, bro.
Yep. Even if you just offer a smile, some of the most wealthiest people are some of the most stressed people. Even if you just offer them a smile, say, "How you doing, man? What's your name? Tell me about your story." That's always good. Yeah, successful people love to tell their story. So a lot of times I'll ask them, tell me about yourself. You know, tell me your story, man. This is pretty damn impressive. I mean, how'd you build something like this? And they'll ramble on and on and on. Nope. Next thing you know, they're like, "I like you, man. I like you. What did you say you sold again? Yeah? All right, give me 500 of them." No lie. No lies. A little late. How y'all doing? Doing great, man. Blessed and highly favored out here. How you doing?
So another day blessed by God. Right off the bat, I won the day.
Is it too late to join the new program? Nope. You just go to the timetrading.com website or TimeT Trading website, and then you could register there. Never too late.
What's up, YOLO Trader?
Two minutes.
Yeah, word, Ricky. Word.
Convey trustworthiness. There you go. There you go. 26 seconds here. We'll see what happens. 1 hour candle still open here. So you got a little bit more time on the 1 hour candle. 15 trying to get some momentum. 9 seconds here. All right. Yeah, so we didn't get the closure that we wanted. We did get a bearish closure, but again, this is over here on the 15 minute as well. And this may very well where we plant support. So I do like the sells, but I like them below 85 here.
Yeah, same. Oh, Nick, you're still looking at Oanda?
Both of them.
All right, but
yeah, we got it right here anyway. That's your support right there. I put Oanda up so so no one gets confused with the numbers.
gotcha.
All right, now we got a nice range here though. So now I would say, you know, we can look for sells below here, buys above this level of resistance, and we're good. We're good.
There. So those of you who are there for Asian, we're in the same vibe now. Again,
Same
just waiting
exact
for
area.
a breakout out of this range.
Yup. Same zone.
Literally. Yeah, man. But when you know what you're looking for, you know, chat, like it becomes very easy to be patient, to be disciplined when you know what you're looking for, right? So it's good that we know what we're looking for. It will help us to be patient and disciplined. Yo, Scott, right? Yeah, man. The patient trader is gonna win today. Sell target would probably be, so I'm looking at the futures chart here. So below 25.17, below that support that Nick has on his chart, I'll be targeting about 25.09 or either 25.04. Right around those will be the targets for sells. And then for buys, I'll be targeting around like 25.26, 25.27, around those areas. We could go up, we could go down. We need to wait, right, for the markets to tell us and give us clues on what it could possibly do. The markets are our boss here today. Yep, if we just follow the markets, we'll have a great day today. Yeah, I heard you guys took some sells in London. That's what's up, W. Hey, what's up, Chris? King Tuffa, what's good, bro? Yeah, man. That's awesome. Great to hear that. You'd be surprised how much you could just learn by just simply listening, you know, to your guidance. It's great. Yo, right, Scott? London, I was blacked out too. It's good, Magnus. It's good, bro.
London was lit. It was double lit.
All right. Double lit. Two lits.
Might have to trade London instead of New York moving forward. I don't know.
Do it.
Did I take those cells? Which ones? I took these cells right here. So I took a sell on this candle right there, and then I closed it on this guy here. So I was looking to target this area. Yeah, that was the last trade I took. That where is it? Yeah, that's gonna be this guy. Oh, I'm sorry, that was the buys. Let me go back. Oh, I don't think I saved the link on that one. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, no, that was it right there. It was kind of like a 30-minute celery play. I think somebody had it in charts for stream too. It was a nice move. It was a nice move. Couldn't really get these. Price just kind of ran there. No wicks or anything like that, but Just waited. Had a 15-minute resistance, had a 30-minute breakout, celery play, looked good. This candle right here though, man, this thing played its role all the way until like the last minute. It was sitting pretty right there, nice and bullish, perfect, ideal celery play. And then yeah, it wants to drop down in like the last minute. Come on, man. But yeah, patience paid. We stayed, you know, grounded and just waited for that opportunity and popped it off. It was a quick trade, 15 minutes maybe. Took some time actually, right? Oh, you weren't there. Yeah, I think it was like 15, 20-minute trade. What do I mean by celery play? Let's call it the booby trap candle. See this? I like the booby trap better. It's a cool name. Yeah. This is this kind of like this pattern right here. 1, 2, 3. These candles kind of make up that move. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys are new here, welcome. You guys can feel free to ask any questions in the live chat. We're here to help, and if you guys have any questions at all on trading or just life in general, just hit the chat and we'll see if we can help you out. Nice stats. Thank you. Yeah, you know, a lot goes into this stuff here, you know, so to have like nice stats, I'm just super grateful. A lot goes into this.
A lot of work.
200 subs for 40K? W. We're almost on it.
Nice.
Almost to 40. Damn. Do you do this every day? Yeah, every day, Monday through Friday. Yeah, we're here on the live stream.
Can you give tips on how to improve risk management? Yeah, I mean, I think it's you know, all personal, but some tips that worked for me was I like to manage my positions off of closures. So my trade management is always going to be based off of closures, and then my account risk management is going to be based off of how I'm doing. So if I'm making profits and my account balance goes up, I'll likely slowly increase my risk. And then if my account balance goes down, I'll likely slowly decrease my risk. So that's just a couple tips. That's how I go about it. Keep it simple.
What's up, Pack Runner FX? Yeah, I don't see why not. If you're already B and you've got enough room to maybe survive a little whipsaw. Oh, TP. Oh, 15 minutes, not 15 minutes. 15 pips away from your entry. I mean, yeah, you know, better safe than sorry when it comes to news, in my opinion. Unless you're chilling, you know, unless you're totally cool with your stop loss getting hit, then maybe just go break even and hope for the best. What up, DT Gamer? How are you, bro? Mr. Lopez is here. Okay.
Is that the fake moon landing
Yeah.
audio?
That's when we landed on the moon, man.
What a great day.
Unfortunately, all the technology. Wait, hold on. That's Clubhouse talk.
Hey, but what a great day for history, right?
Great day for history.
More like great day for America.
We did it.
We did it.
How come I chose this support? Because this area right over here. So I see the zone here. Keep it right there. Yeah, because we don't have a zone here yet, right? But we want to say, hey, if there's going to be a pullback, then where can it potentially happen, right? So that's where you get into the habit of just kind of looking left, you know, and noticing certain things. And last time price broke above here, it kind of came back and stopped right there. So therefore that will be what price action looks towards this time. It'll look left and say, well, where did you pull back to, right? And then boom, plants it right there. Now if we close below there, I like to sell. If we remain above, then buys may play out here. How many guys took the early bird special and caught your sells right here? Anybody? Anybody in sells?
No, sir.
This is how minor liquidity grabs can be. See that right there? Millions upon millions of dollars sit right there. Sell stops.
That's that entry you don't even get profit.
Yeah. So if this candle can close below over here, then I like this move down. If not, then we wait for another candle. Your best option will really be this right here. If a candle closes just like that, next candle closes below, that's your best outcome right there. Ideal trade right there.
100%.
Right? You hear me talk about this a lot. New resistance, new fresh breakout, confirmation candle right here, trading candle, confirmation candle, trading candle. Clean traffic to the left, daily being bearish, volume coming in. That's typically where you want to go, where you want to be.
Yep.
But we'll see.
And that's, yeah. We will see.
I've been grabbed in many different ways by liquidity in the past. Whoa! See Melly, stop it.
Yo. For
He's
sure, bro.
getting turned
For sure.
up. Arr. We just getting started.
You know, as getting in this career of trading, we all have to, you know, do our job or do our part of being the liquidity sometimes. It's all good.
You gotta volunteer for this for a year or so, you know? It's like paying your dues.
Like getting tased as a cop, you know? You gotta be the liquidity too.
You wanna use the taser? You gotta get tased.
Yeah.
Guess where all the stop
Yeah.
losses are? Chilling right here.
Oh, they're coming right for him right now.
Right, this is where all the millions of dollars of stop losses are. And then what'll happen is it might pop up there, come right back down, and then the next candle break the lows and drive. See it happen all the time. No hashtags. In a $1,000 account with lot size? I have no idea, brother. I have no idea. Whatever one that you're good with. Yeah, 1 lots, 2 lots. There's no right or wrong.
Risk is all personal, G. You know?
Yeah. Basically, look at it like this. You open up a trade, you're feeling good. You ain't stressed. You ain't worried. Life is good. Everything's perfect. You open up another trade, and you are sweating. Your stomach is beginning to bubble up. It seems like you have to immediately run to the bathroom, and your neck muscles are beginning to tighten up, and your shoulders feel like there's like a whole like car on top of them. That's typically when you're a little bit oversized. So just depends on how you feel when you get into the trade.
Ask yourself before you take the trade, what am I comfortable with losing? And then that's what you should risk.
Yeah. Let's say you're all good with losing $200 today. Risk 150. So that way you really don't care.
Thanks.
When you can hear your own heartbeat, yeah. Exactly. Da-dum, da-dum. And you don't want to be in those trades over risking anyway and oversizing because you never manage them properly. Right? Like let's say you get into a sell here, you get a little closure, and you decide to over risk. Once you go a little bit in a profit, you tend to cut those because you know you're like, whoa, that's enough. You know what I mean? And meanwhile, price drives down. So you probably would have made more money by not over risking and just letting it roll in your favor than over risking and closing and getting into a bad habit of just closing because you see a lot of money, right?
Good point.
Mouse slipping out of your hand. Your wife just pops in your office. How you doing, honey? Yeah, start stuttering and all that. You get the stutter going.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Look at this range game here.
Told you guys.
Who took the buys? Anyone? Break of the highs here?
It just stopped out sellers, and now it's about to stop out buyers.
Yep. Good lesson? Yeah, good lesson. I am potentially open for like a seller here. If the candles close how I want to see them. Waiting for close above. Beautiful. Beautiful. I learned my lesson trying to get into early. W. But we friends though. We are friends. You guys taught me something. Awesome. What'd you learn? What'd you guys learn? What's the biggest thing you've learned from the streams? Biggest takeaway. Flip, daily flip, no buy, no. All right, perfect. What's your biggest takeaway, would you say, in a very short couple word response? Nice.
Not to eat takeout.
A lot of patience. I like that. Not to eat
Oh,
takeout.
yeah.
Don't eat Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, a lot of patience. It's all great stuff.
Praise the Lord.
Let's go.
Patience, a lot of patience here. I'm a very patient trader, if you guys haven't noticed.
Yeah, bro.
Emotions come and go. Yep. Don't chase price. Wait for your best setup. I like it. Oh, damn. Both chats got motion.
It's all
here.
great stuff, man. This is how you know the tips on the stream are fire.
Doesn't matter how big a move is. If it's not your playbook, it's no trade. Yep. If it's not your pips, it's not your pips. Just be happy for the next guy.
Nice
like
dropout trader. Wait for closures and understanding that red days aren't a bad day. I love that. It's a good one.
Nice, Josh. Nice, man. Hey, by the way, the current leader on the competition is up 7.8%. So keep doing your thing, man. Don't change anything. Just keep doing what you're doing. Shut up and follow the plan. I didn't say that to you in one of our like mentoring sessions, did I? Oh my God.
Sometimes you need to hear that, man.
Salary changed my. Oh yeah.
Don't be greedy. Only trade your trade. Nice.
W. Don't trade in between the zone. I like it. If you win, show up. If you lose, show up. Consistency is everything. Yep.
Beautiful.
How many of you guys have a better understanding about probability mindset? You guys have a better understanding about that now? That the game is not all sunshine and rainbows, that it's not what they make it look like on IG and all cute and pretty and so special and 100% win rates, right? You guys are finally over that, right? You guys know traders lose trades, right?
And over
It's a probability game.
Yep.
One win will never make you, one loss will never break you. No need to, get overexcited about winners, and no need to get all dramatic about losers. Just, it's a probability game. That's all it is.
Yep.
Next trade we take might be a winner, might be a loser. All I know is I won't enter unless there's somewhere near 80% probability we're going to be a winner.
Yep.
Composure no matter what. That's going to take you really far in life energy, not just in trading, but just in life in general. Gotta stay composed, man. Stay composed. Patience comes naturally when you have a system. Yeah, it does. It does. Yeah, because you really start to get obsessed with the results of the system, right? So then you begin to think, why am I going to rush this? Right? I'm chilling. I'm going to be patient here. I'm going to let that trade come to me versus me try and make it something that it's not. It's like your friends, like we were talking about, like Billy Bob by the fire, right? You can't make that guy a winner, right? You can't make him a successful trader if he don't want to be that, right? So a lot of times if you don't have a plan, you're trying to make the markets be something or that it's not at that time. So just trading what's in front of you and getting really good at, not deviating from the plan is just ultimately what you need. It'll boost your confidence. It'll show you that you can actually do this.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, energy, great.
A lot of good stuff.
Good note, energy. Yeah, really, a lot of great stuff. Definitely.
The other day when you spoke on 1 to 2K days consistent with journaling, that sparked something. Yeah, that morning routine. Hopefully you guys lock in on that. I mean, that's how I've created my life, is pretty much through that journal. Sounds crazy. I know, it really does, but I've got no other explanation, man. Don't focus on the results. Yeah, I like it.
Hey, let's go, Scott. Oh, yeah, bro. That hit me too, bro.
You're profitable off the trades you don't take, Johnny Gems. I agree.
Yeah, man.
I agree. Those are those Pac-Man trades that John talks about. The Pac-Man trades.
Those are the opposite of our playbook trades.
They're just unnecessary. They could be avoided. You talk about the Matrix, yeah. How often we get caught up in the race, yep. Chasing after shiny things, yep. They know exactly how to get us.
Yep. Yes, they do. Yeah, PM Magnifico, that's it. I love that. It's great.
PM Magnifico. Cheap dopamine. Doom scrolling. I don't know. It's so much. Alcohol, drugs, pornography,
Women.
all that type of stuff. Just not good ways of getting dopamine. Staring at blue light all day.
Over trading.
Eating chunky monkey ice cream on the couch just to satisfy your tongue, right? And then once it goes past your tongue, it just starts ruining your body. So those are all just cheap, fake dopamine. Scroll, yeah, real scrolling. What's the code, bro? What code? The code to the Wi-Fi. On average, how much percentage you profit in a month? Just want to know what percentage I should consistently aim for. I never aim for anything. I never aim for a profit target or anything like that. I just trade. I just see where I'm at the end of each month. And the past couple months, it's been a little wild because I've been on my personal account. So they've been like, 15 to like 30% months. But you're not going to do that, obviously, on a prop firm. I've just been risking like 10, sometimes 15%. So it adds up a little bit for me. So the answer probably won't help you, because I'm going to trade totally different than you. I might risk 15%. You might only want to risk 1%. So I think setting goals, there's no point. I think just showing up and looking for the best trade you can find is going to be your best bet. That way you're not really forcing anything. I like the fact that you said I want to aim for something, which is nice. But set that goal, you know, look at your account and set the goal on your own there, and then say, I'm going to aim for that every month or every week or whatever it is. But yeah, unfortunately, no two traders are going to ever be able to have the exact results.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, biohacking is the best way to get your dopamine. The best way. How's the competition going? Good, good. It looks pretty good here. Yeah, I just had the results up, but I don't know where they went. All right, Goldie, what we doing? Let's take a look at the 15. I believe we created new resistance here. Yeah, so we did create new resistance. We got 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle here. Top 10. Ooh, I'm not gonna say. I'm gonna say the names randomly, so you guys don't know exactly what position you're in. But you got Paul G, you got Kishore M, you got JRM, you got Aaron H, Ryan L, Dan L, Tyrone H, and Ingers U. Yeah, man. So if you heard your name, keep up the great work. You're in the top 10, top 5, I think. Top 10? Yeah, top 10. Some of y'all are like, that's me. Keep up the great work. Good work, good work. Aaron, I see you, bro.
Nice.
I see you. Hey, I'll be right back.
All right, y'all, 2.5 minutes here for closure. Yeah, good work. Good work to those in the competition. Way to be eating. Way to work. Close below 30 minutes. Do we have entry? Yeah, I'm gonna be taking entry. I'll be taking an entry. Look. Hey, Aaron in the Zoom chat. Let's go, bro. Good work, Aaron. Oh, really? Thank you, Kendall. Appreciate it. Yeah, I need to put some work in with IG. Need to get a little bit better.
Do better, Johnny Stu.
How to detach.
Do better.
How to detach emotional attachment with charts. It's kind of a tough one. I would say attach yourself to the logical parts of the charts. I don't know, Nick. How would you answer that, bro? Because when I get emotional thoughts in trading, I immediately replace them with logical thoughts that follow my plan. The question was, how do I detach emotional attachment charts? I said attach yourself to the logical charts.
Yeah, it all goes back to the system. You know, the system rids the emotional side of things when you do it right. So it's just how robotic. You're obviously gonna have emotion, but how like robotic can you be and just dial in on your system? Let the system get the outcome for you. That's what it's designed to do. That's why you have it, you know, because it almost guarantees a specific result. So just count on that, lean on that system, and just stay away from over risking, and you shouldn't get too emotional about things. Yeah, so we never did get a close below here again, so no sells yet.
No closure.
It might push here, but we never got a closure, so. Oh, and I don't think there is different ranges. They're both the same. Both the same ranges. It really did. It really did close within the range. Yep. 15-minute though. Closure here would be nice. It's the open of the new 4 hours, so I'd like to wait on that 15 anyway. So we should be good here. Just give it time. Give it time. Time and time again.
Yep. This is your opportunity to work out your patient muscle, my man.
Yeah. So I don't have any sell stops just yet. I'll wait on the 15 close. If you get that closure below, then I like it. But really wanted to see that 30-minute candle close below there.
Yeah, that was a big closure.
Big closure.
Right. Remember, those of you who are getting FOMO right now, remember why we want the closure below. Because look left, right? Look left at that support that we're trying to get a closure below. We could literally just do the exact same thing we did in the past, right? So a closure below is the chart's telling us like, all right, we're doing something that the previous candles couldn't do, right? But right now we're all we're doing is copying the candles to the left, right? So we don't want to get caught in the fake out. You know, we want that closure below. Right, we look left to get right. So by looking left, we can kind of give ourselves a cheat code on what price wants to do next.
Yep. Close below on the futures chart on yours.
Nah, it didn't.
No closure on mine here. Yeah, no closure. Which zone are you using? We might be using two different zones too. You might be using that 15 zone right there. If we were to break the highs, then I might have a sell stop, right? Just because you're probably breaking the highs to push up again, and then if you break those lows, you should have volume, but I still want to wait for 9:15 for all that. So I'd rather see this candle close like someone like that and then break the lows. The 4 hour time frame. This is the 15-minute time. 30-minute time frame here. Look left to get right. What's up, hero of the day? Who we saving today?
Hero of the day. Yo, where's my cape at?
I heard him yelling for help. Had to put my cape on.
Hey.
Who we saving today, hero of the day? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Welcome to the Clubhouse, my man. Yeah, all of you guys that are joining the Clubhouse here today, welcome. Welcome. We're excited to have you. We welcome you in. It's going to be a fun afternoon together. And yeah, we'll see you in Asian. We'll see you in London. And then back here in New York.
Yes, sir. We're going to have a blast together today, y'all. Can't wait.
Back to back. Skirt. Oh, my bad. I'm not in this trade.
It's good.
I was.
Damn, bro, you got people in cells.
I was looking to get in, but no closure.
Big
No
man.
closure. Save me from my 9 to 5.
All right, who took the sells?
Where's Don? How would I know? Oh man, you probably talked to him more than me. Y'all be on the stream quick. How could I join the clubhouse? Just go to the timetotrading.com. Yeah, just come to the clubhouse. Just go to the homepage, hit clubhouse, and you can pop in. You can see the prices. You can see the everything that entails, all right here. Pull up, pull up. We want to get to know you in the clubhouse a little bit.
Yeah, I do. I've gotten to know a lot of people.
Nice.
Today.
What happened, John?
I said I've gotten to know a lot of people already, just in the first day.
That's true. Already in the cell, yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's so. Just think about. So the reason I didn't get in is because that's support. You know. So maybe next time you just hold off and you just wait for a closure. That's all. Can't really do much about it. I think you should be good. If your stops are sitting above the highs here, you should be okay. We already did break the low, so if we do want to go down, we really shouldn't pop up and break those highs there. But there's no guarantee we're going down, especially without the closure below 85 here. Yeah, just go to the website. You can sign up there, or I think you could hit !! Clubhouse, and the link will pop up. Remember this pain. Yeah, I like that. That's good. I dig that.
Nice job, Clinks. Yeah, 2BE is way better than 2Ls. Nothing wrong with a break-even trade.
Yes, sir. You went short? No worries. It might still work out. You know, don't let me hold you out of this or scare you out of it. I'm just gonna. I like shorts. I just like them much better below 85 here. How to join website. If you can find it, you can find it. How about that? If you can find it, you can find it, Green.
Shit.
The advantages are right here. So so we got Zoom live streams for Asian session, London, and New York session. We have webinars covering like all this type of stuff: psychology, trading, personal growth and development, Q&As, all things like that, and yeah, a couple different other perks. You got the Discord, you got any webinars I do, you'll be invited to, and yeah. I used to do that to the teacher all the time. Teacher turned around and started going like
Me and my friend one time literally took turns coughing while the teacher was showing a lesson. Funny things, bro.
Yeah, last night we took Asian cells with the Clubhouse, and then we took London cells with the Clubhouse last night. Yeah,
we took a trade every session. Yeah.
Yeah, last night was good. I enjoyed it. Ooh.
Lights fire. I'm feeling great, brother. How you feeling?
Lights fire. All right, so we're struggling here. 15-minute time frame. We're getting ready for a nice breakout here. We do have news coming up in about an hour as well. We got some red folder stuff coming out here. So Jolt's job openings at 10. So again, Clubhouse, we should have some decent moves coming on after that later news here at 10 a.m. So we should be good for some opportunities. 83 people in Discord here, man. W. Holy.
Oh, in Zoom, right?
I'm sorry, in Zoom, yeah, not Discord.
Let's
Zoom.
go.
W Zoomers. I wonder if the Zoomers can outnumber the YouTubers. Ooh.
That'd be wild.
Holy.
That'd be sick.
News in 1 hour. Yes. Yep. Yeah, we're just consolidating right now. Just chopping around a bit. We do have 9:30 coming up here though, in the next half-hour candle. I took sells. Is it good? I think it'll be better if you get a closure below the range. I don't think they're bad, but I think they'd be better once you actually get a candle that closes below here. Let's put it like this. I'm not in them yet. I'm not in sells yet, so. Almost on 40K subs. Word. Hey, if you guys are not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel here. And if you can, give the stream a like. Give the stream a like. That would make my day. If you gave the stream a like today, it would make my day. Likey. What's up, Edson? Good to see you, brother. How are you, man?
Morning, Edson.
How are you? Hey, how are you?
I've been better.
Better than I deserve. Better than I deserve. What can I do for you? Thank you, Foster. You're the man, bro. You're the man. Why are the live streams being removed from YouTube? No.
Oh, wow.
What do you mean? "22 hours ago, 4 days ago, that was Friday." No, I think we're good.
Gucci.
Some of them get removed here and there, but should be good. They're trying to take us down, man.
Been trying.
They've been trying. Appreciate you, Foster. Good to see you, man. Good to see you.
Let's go, Foster.
John Wayne in the house. The Clums. Appreciate you. My YouTube feed? What did it look like? Yeah. Living Waters. This is one of my favorite YouTube channels here. You guys should check it out. Thank me later.
Thanks, man. He makes it as simple as it can be.
It is simple.
Yeah, 15 minutes not doing nothing.
Haven't seen Q in a while. Q Banks. I met up with Q about 3 weeks ago.
Oh, Zoom's getting their push-ups in. Let's get it. Gotta boy Ricky.
Zoomers.
Mario, let's get it, bro. You guys are beating me, man.
Man said another Donvo. Don't ever disrespect me. Don't ever disrespect me like that.
Like, bro, show your face.
You know English?
Show your
Me no
face.
English. Me no Espanol.
All right, bet, Daniel. I got you, bro.
Qbanks. Q is yeah, his YouTube stuff is fire. I love the day in the life. You guys ever watch that one? That one's so motivating. I love watching those. Why the YouTube streams get taken down? Eh, you're not gonna get me this time. Fool me once, shame on you. All right, 15 closure. We get a bearish closure below here. I like these sells, man. I like these. Can you explain it to me? Explain what, brother?
Back tilts. Yeah, Daniel, nothing like a pump from the push-ups. Nothing like it.
Oh, let me pop. I don't know what happened to my Discord here. Oh, there it is. Where will the links be sent? They'll be sent in the Discord. So they'll be right under... Where is it here? Yeah, you'll see it in the Clubhouse. So just go down, you'll see Clubhouse, and then you'll see all the links for it there. It should say Zoom link. Yeah, Zoom link. Got it?
Yo, GK, is 3 to 4% risk per trade good for you? Yeah, because if it's good for you, then it's okay. That's okay to risk that.
Got it? Cool, man. Cool. What would you guys caption this? Oh, stop playing. Cooking. What would you guys caption that?
Probably millionaire talks only.
The conversation, man.
Sponge
okay,
and water.
All right, good job, Diogo. Good job, good job.
Nice, Wayne.
Hey Scott, did you take a nap, bro? How was that nap? All right, we may get our opportunities here come 9:30. We got a few more minutes here. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Lovely nap. I bet. I bet. Scott's all over. I don't know what chat to look for this guy in. Man's in Zoom, man's in YouTube, man's in my text messages. I don't know what to do, bro. He's everywhere.
I'm feeling like Google. I'm feeling like googly eyes again, bro.
I'm getting googly
These
here,
two
Scott.
chats.
He's in my Discord. He's trying to reach me on all platforms. Let's
Where,
go.
bro? He doesn't know where to type, so he has to type both in both
dig it.
chats.
I dig it. I dig it. All right, 9 minutes here. Everything looking like it's setting up here for us. Did I mention your name on the leaderboard? I think I did, actually. Yeah, I think I did. How do I access Zoom? Just join the Clubhouse. And you can pull up with 83 other traders here. The red light district. All right.
8 minutes, Goldie.
So here's the idea here as we plan this move, right? So if we can get a closure plus a bottom wick here on this candle, this is where I'm open to take my sells here. So we've got very clean range coming down here. So you got very, very nice move all the way down into that support. Now, where can we look for advantage points, right? So I like this area down here. It's going to be like, let me go to OANDA here. I like 2480, 760, somewhere in this zone. That'll be about, give or take, about 40 pips. 40, yeah, about 40 pips there. So we'll see if we get the closure, and then yeah, everything looks good to continue its way down. So if we can get that, we ready.
Yes, sir.
I think I've been talking for like 18 hours straight now.
Right. Yeah, for real.
I'm just talking. Just talking.
We just love to talk.
Just talking. What up, San Man?
Good, Sam.
How are ya?
What's up, bro? How was your sleep, though? Was it good, Nick?
Incredible, brother.
Nice. If I'm in, where should I put my B? See, those are the things we should know before we get into the trade, right?
Yep. So I would look towards 2480 or whatever that was, 2480, 81 on the dot. That's where I'm looking at. That's going to be, like I said, about a 40 pip range there, coming down like right into this zone here, and then the rest of it can just travel on down towards 2472 if its heart so desires. But first we got to get the closure. We do a little
Need a
talking.
good business partner first.
A little talking.
Just a little bit. I swear I don't talk this much in person, y'all.
I promise. If you guys hang out with me, I probably won't say a word.
No, same.
I'll just let you talk. I'll just
For real,
sit there
though,
and think, oh, interesting. Wow. Awesome. Cool.
Right.
Perfect. Interesting.
I'll just be having a conversation with myself.
Did a sell but hit BE. Okay, cool. No worries. Nice attempt, Diogo. Good to have you back from the cruise, man. The cruise tried to steal Diogo from us. Where that cruise at? What's my favorite trading podcast? Oh, that's John. Trading podcast. Go ahead, John.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure me and Nick will have like the same ones, but I really do like Calvin's podcast, the Forex Beginner. I like the Words of Wisdom. I like ASFX, and I also like the Humble Trader. And then I also like to listen to some Mark Douglas sermons.
Yeah, I love Mark Douglas. I agree with John on all those. Mark Douglas, though. If you're quaking, you just go watch Mark Douglas. He will literally get you out of that. Yeah, there's nothing I can do to save you from quaking, but Mark Douglas, he can save you. He's got his cape on.
Mark Mark Douglas legit helped me be okay with losses, right? I
Yeah,
watched this
facts.
tournament. I'm like, wait, dude, losses are fine, bro. Like, stop sweating it. Like, losses are fine. Once you really lock in with the edge, you literally own the casino. And sometimes you just need to prove it to yourself, right, before you can really understand it. But yeah, I learned how to take I learned how to take losses with Mark Douglas. Yeah, man, especially to those beginner traders, you know, I think trading is just like any job out there. It's just like any profession, just like any business profession. There's going to be pros and cons that come with it. And I think it is important to know the pros and cons of trading before you get into it too. And understanding what comes with the job, you know, like losses come with the job, no paydays come with the job. Paydays come with the job too, you know, but it's important to know what comes with the job that you're pursuing.
Yep. Socks? Yeah, we good. We got socks. Yeah, we got socks. You can find Mark Douglas just YouTube. Yeah, just go to YouTube here. Hit him with the YouTube. Marky, good old Marky Mark. Look at him right there. Bam, 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 bam. This guy right here, get you right. He'll get you right. Did I just see Calvin live? What's Calvin up to? Where'd he go? Say what up.
When you need.
My man. Damn, son.
So all these people around trying to get Q's attention. Chad stops him, lets him know who I am, and we talk for a minute while all these people around, and we exchange phone numbers. And Chad just says, look, Q, he has an amazing podcast. You need to do the interview. Just like that. And from that moment, me and Q begin to text. We didn't do the interview right away. We text for a couple months, and I still didn't force it. And one day out of the blue, random, Q texts me. He's like, yo, man, I'm sorry, bro. I've been busy. Let's do the interview tomorrow. And it just happened. So the only reason I'm sharing this story is I'm just telling you, if you want to network in the trading space, get on these big podcasts. Words of Wisdom, great podcast. Desire to Trade, great podcast. Trading Nut, great podcast.
There you go.
You want to get on these podcasts, just let it happen. Don't try to force it. Don't try to shoot your shot. Just be you. Let it happen. It's going to happen. If it's for you, it's going to happen. And it's been that way with every single podcast that I've done. When I invite people on my show, these, like, a lot of people reach out to me, but the people that I've had are people that have never reached out to me. Flip, for instance, just did an interview with Flip. All right, I got to pause, guys, because we're looking good on gold.
We're looking good on gold.
All right?
That's
hey,
right,
he's trading
Calvin.
gold.
Hold up, brother. Hold up.
Hold the line.
Action is starting.
Got a minute.
What time is it? All right, 9. All right, we getting ready to come into the open. All right, so NASDAQ is still ranging, but I want you to pay attention to Dow Jones here. Notice how Dow Jones just closed above right here.
Wow, I didn't even know Calvin went live.
Notice this right here.
That's what's up.
Either, bro.
Notice this right here. Let's see how this candle closes. I normally don't like to take.
He's trading futures too now.
But I like the way this looking. Let me look at gold.
All right. Oh, yikes.
Damn.
Yeah. 36 seconds here. Where'd that pullback come from?
Come on, gold. That was good with that pullback.
Let's see if we can close below here.
Bruh. We're just chilling. Candle just isn't moving.
Good man right there. Yeah, Calvin's solid. Calvin's solid. He ain't lying. He reached out to me too. I never once reached out to Calvin, but it was pretty cool to see him reaching out to me. I was like, damn, that's what's up. So no closure below there.
That was a troll from gold.
Gold is the one that I really want, though.
Now I might as well just wait for news.
It's still not giving me what I want to see.
Damn.
Good.
But gold is the one I want. But I cannot deny. We'll get back to the story in a minute. This is really the only time I gotta focus, by the way.
Yeah, Calvin's
When I'm
content's fire.
thinking on should I take an entry or not. It's the only time I gotta focus. All right, so I'm not gonna.
Yeah, he does.
Okay, let me wait and see. Yeah, I'm not gonna be entering. It's too much wick here. So what I'm looking for is I want to see solid body, more body than wick. So we're not gonna take an entry here. So we'll wait.
There you go, Calvin. Patience.
So nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet for me, at least. All right, nothing yet for me.
Patience.
Same. Good work, Calvin.
All right, nothing yet for me. So
Yeah,
anyway,
if it
back
drives,
to
it
the
drives. Who really cares?
story.
They didn't give us our deal.
So yeah, like Chad, literally, who I did not know.
Yep. Drives it drives, man. We got what we wanted. I mean, we just did not get the closure. That's the only thing. We just didn't get that closure.
See, this is where the separation comes in, and this is where you really find out whether or not you're building good habits here, or if you're just focusing on the money. Right. This is where the separation occurs.
Once we get a closure, I like these cells a lot. I like them a lot. We do have news coming in here. You know, you're most likely going to get a push at 9:30 here, so up or down, I'm not too sure, but no closure for me, no entry. I found Nick through Calvin. Oh, nice. Yeah, Calvin's good people, man.
No, that took a whole lot from me. You know what I mean? I tried.
Yeah,
it
he has his
before,
fire
I was
podcast.
like,
I love him.
do it. Even that took a lot from me. So
Yeah, you guys should
it
check
just
his
takes a lot.
podcast out.
You know what I mean?
He's got a good pod. I think, yeah, go to like videos and all that. There's the one that me and him did. We did that 2 months ago. That feels like literally like 5 years ago. That's crazy.
Right. I feel like I've been watching Calvin's pods now for about 5 years too. Feels so long.
21K, nice. 21K, not bad.
Look what
Not bad, not bad. So nothing here on gold, man. Nothing here just yet. I mean, yell at the candles.
Yeah.
80% entered cells still, 20% didn't. Probably, bro. Probably. Nah, Nick, he's not focused. He's looking at Calvin's pod. He doesn't know what he's talking about. The lows, I'm telling you, man. I know what I'm doing here. I know what I'm doing. Are you willing to take buys?
Yeah,
Possibly,
man.
if we get a closure above 89 or what is this? Yeah, above 91 here. I like. This is our nasty choppy range. We might just range in here till news comes out.
Right.
Lele, please wake up. Oh. Yeah, we'll see how the news comes out too here. Four-hour close back in the range. Yeah, it's been rough. It's been rough here on the 4-hour chart. So, yeah, close back in the range. This one's still open. Yeah. I will be right back. 1 sec.
Yeah, it seems like Brow's trying to create some support. Looks like it. Yeah, he has that wick rejection too to the downside. But yeah, man, this is where, you know, hearing and listening, there's a big difference between them. This is where they come into play, you know, like you could be hearing that price is creating support, or you can be hearing that price has a support to the left and you get in anyways, or you can be listening that price has a support and you take that as a sign. All right, I'm not going to get in, right? Because I'm listening to the markets now. Then they're telling me that, yo, there's support right here and it could happen again. unless we close below, right? So that's just my mindset right now. I'm breaking it down with you guys, but yeah, man, make sure you're listening to the charts and not just hearing them out. We need to actually acknowledge and absorb all the information we can get from the markets, right? And I'll say it again, just for you know, a refresher and a reminder that the markets are gonna be right all the time, right? The markets are never, the markets aren't right or wrong. They're just always gonna be right. The markets, right? It's the traders who are sometimes right and sometimes wrong. So therefore, we have a greater responsibility of allowing the markets to come in first place, allowing the markets to give us information to lead us into a solid deal, a solid trade, and so we can make some profits in this for the long run. Yep. Hey, we got the greater responsibility here, y'all. So we gotta wait again on price for more information. Literally, this whole session just been bouncing between 25.23, 25.17. Sideways price action. Yes, sir. Banty FX. Yes, sir.
Yo, has anyone seen Green?
Nah.
Green, where are you, bro? Good work, John. Oh, John's out. There he is. There he is. Hello, Green. How are you, man? Hey, how are ya? Yeah, hey, Magnus, C. Melly, Scott, George, AB Mike was up there. Great job, guys. Really, really proud of you guys, man. You guys are like naturals up there. Good job today. Good job in the London session. Good job in the Asian session. It was fun to have you guys up there and keep doing your thing. Scott too. Scott was up in there. Who will we see tonight? Who will we see tonight? Bro is mad at you. Oh, Diogo's here. Diogo is in Zoom. All right, man. You made it? W, brother. Let's go. Let's go. TK hooked you up? He is that guy. Kelvin? Oh, Calvin. Yeah. Calvin over here, my boy Calvin. Should we go blow up his
Maybe
stream?
not today. All right, let's look at NAS. See what NAS got going on here. All right, still in the range.
Let's blow up his chat. Let's blow it up with like TTE and a heart. Man will be like, what's going on here?
Give me 1 second, guys.
Rate him.
1 second, yeah.
One second.
All right. All right, we're back. So
What's he looking
still
at?
waiting here, waiting to see what we're gonna
Gold.
get here. So I'm gonna probably go into about 10 a.m. If nothing doesn't happen at 10 a.m., I'm probably
Watch
gonna
him
cut
get
the
distracted.
stream. But I will still be looking at it because then I gotta take over with the princess. Grab her.
He's trying to get his
But,
thoughts together.
Excited, man. Excited to be in the market. All right. What time frame? 15-minute time frame. What else we got? Sup, Calvin? I appreciate your podcast, man. What's up, Calvin? I appreciate your podcast, man. It helps me a lot on my trading journey.
this
God
is
bless you,
cool.
brother. Super excited, man. Super excited for you. What else we got here? What else? Oh, shout out to my man Nick Stewart. Shout out to my man Nick Stewart. We got the TTE boys. Time to eat in the building. Time to eat trading in the building, man. Shout out to my brother Nick Stewart.
W.
Nick is one of the.
W.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Nick is one of the most, I mean, all around great people that you want to meet. You talking about love Jesus, my type of guy off rip. Loves his wife, my type of guy off rip. Loves his family, my type of guy off rip. And most, like, just the biggest thing, love all three of those things first, and then most of all has enough in his heart to love people. That's what I'm talking about.
Amen.
That's like the 4 pillars. You know what I mean? And Nick is just a phenomenal guy. Phenomenal guy. Shout out to my guy Nick.
Phenomenal.
There he is right there. I didn't even see that. There he is right there.
Time
to trading. Make sure you subscribe. We got to get my man Nick up to 100K subscribers.
Well, word.
All right, here we go on NASDAQ, guys.
That's facts.
How many minutes we got? We got 3 minutes. All right. Let's get it.
All right,
Let's get it. Let's get it.
We'll
Let's
leave him
get
alone
it.
now.
Here we go on
W.
NASDAQ, baby.
The flood.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
This is actually looking pretty good here on gold.
Let's get it.
Like the stream. I like
Right before news, though.
Just wait until candlestick
Oh,
close.
that's
It's looking
right.
good.
10 a.m. coming.
It's looking good. And remember, 3 things gonna happen today. I either won't take a trade, I will hit my risk goal, I will hit my profit goal. One of those 3 things will happen. You are here for the ride. And
You don't
There
care.
we go.
We just waiting. We got
Profit,
3
loss,
minutes.
or nothing. He don't care.
Right.
You're doing more. I'm so sad I can't play music.
This guy. Not in the clubhouse, man. We're playing whatever we want nowadays. W.
Clubhouse, the new thing, man.
40K, we're coming. That's all.
Should
You
hit
guys
40K
are,
easy.
You guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome. Just straight raid the chat like that.
Yeah, shout out Calvin. He be asked some great questions, to some great traders.
Yeah, I really do love Calvin. He's a good, really, really good guy. He was actually there too. I linked up with Calvin like 2 weeks ago in Miami too. Linked up with all the heavy hitters. The Soul's Journey, W. 100K.
Are you gonna the 15-minute close below? Are you gonna take it or wait on news?
Only if we get like a steep top wick. Gotta be
Right.
a steep top wick here, and then the break of the lows would be the entry. But would like to see us pop up first and then break the lows here. That'd be great. It's still 1 minute here with this candle, so
Yeah, I'm expecting a pretty big breakout.
upload some mindset stuff. Yeah, I like that. We're gonna be doing a lot of that in the clubhouse too. We're gonna do a lot of like webinars and stuff like that on in the clubhouse, and we'll just post them in the database there. And yeah, I think then we could probably clip up some reels from some of those webinars. Are we gonna break the lows here? 46 seconds. This thing is primed up and ready to drop. Holy. Y'all hit my full margin button right now. Yeah. If we get a steep top wick, right? So meaning if we actually come up first, right? I'll have a sell stop on the break of those lows there for price to drive down. But we gotta come up first. That's the thing. Yeah, gotta come up first. 14 seconds here. First, we gotta close below. Yeah, it looks like we will close below. And then let me just get this ready in case we do make this top wick. Gotta come up first, though. Gotta come up. I think we got a dud. We've got a dud.
I like previous candle entry better.
Yeah, I got my stops on the break of all the lows here.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sorry, the highs. All right, I like this move here, so I'm gonna look to have a sell stop here on the break of these lows. Boom. Yeah, sell stop on the break of the lows. If we do break the lows there, we should get a nice push down into this area right here, and then might close partials there and or go break even, and then just let the rest run.
You're gonna use previous candle stops?
Yeah, previous candle stops. Yep. Oh yeah, the news is at 10. That's right. That's right. My bad. I thought it was 10 a.m.
That is true.
My bad. Yeah, I like this closure though. 9:45 closure below. It looks pretty good. We just got to break those lows there.
Yeah, so you're not really worried about news, right?
I think if we're getting this closure below, that's going to be our first sign that price is going to want to move down here. So I like the break of the lows.
Right.
We should be good if we break those lows.
Right.
Yeah, if you guys want, maybe wait. Maybe what you can do is you can wait for news, or what you can do is you can get aggressive, right? So if you start pushing down and break these lows, you can just move your stop loss to the break of this current candle high there. Yeah, right here. So maybe if things don't really push before news, you get aggressive here. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll get aggressive, and if we break that high, I'll just close the position and then just wait.
Nice.
What are we doing? Boom, 3. Yeah, I like this. I'm gonna go break even on this now. Looks pretty good to keep driving. Yeah, so
On that
moving
BE as
stops
well.
to BE, and let's see if it can run here for us.
Giving it a chance.
Give it a chance to run pre-news here. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Not too sure. No risk. No more risk, though. No more talking until the trade's over. Yo, no more talking until the trade's over. I don't want to hear a peep out of you guys.
Yeah, that got me. W.
Yeah, I might get hit B here.
Let's go. Keep driving for you, man.
Will we drive? Yeah, we might be running into this area here, so this could cause a little problem here. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, that's what I was
But
looking
either
at.
way, good trade. Good trade. You got your closure below, your quick push down. I think it went like 18 pips in profit. So we'll see if it can keep going or if it's going to pull back here.
Yep. Now I was a bit more aggressive with that BE just because, right, we got news in 10 minutes.
I like BE. I like BE there. Mine just, I guess, was a pip or two closer. There we go. Break even. Yeah, break even's been hit. All right. Nice push. I think we got, what was that?
What was it, like 10? 11?
17 I got.
Oh, yeah, I got about like 18, 17.
Let me delete this. Yeah, good trade. I like the move down here. I really do. Yeah, I want to get aggressive just like John before news there. Go BE. But yeah, good trade. Futures brokers are more honest. I agree. I agree.
Thanks.
Yeah, we got 17 there, but no close. Why didn't I close at 17? Because I was looking for this zone down here. So I wasn't really looking for 17. I was looking for 42. 42 pips. On to the next. Yep. How many guys took that? Anybody secure partials? Anybody? As you guys know, I've been working on just holding positions a bit longer, so I didn't want to close anything there. I was out in 2 minutes. Nice. Nice, nice. Still in? Oh, nice. Still in, still in. Cool. Perfect. Full margin. She might run here.
Oh, damn.
Look at this.
About to
Just
bleed.
tapped me out at break even. Let's see. What was that? A 5-minute top wick, maybe? No.
Same, bro.
Duh, duh, duh.
Jill, I wanted this range.
Yeah, you may still get it if you get a pullback here before the news.
Facts.
We'll see. Still in 50 pips or 50 PS maybe? Move stops to the current candle. That's a good idea. Good idea. Current 15. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I still think we should be good to get down here. Couple more pips to go. Maxed out the credit on this one. Where's Scalpy at? Which website do I look at for news? I usually just look at Forex Factory. Hi. How you doing, Lele? It's nice to see you.
Yeah, those of you got BE with me and Nick, it's all good, right? There's plenty of opportunity left today. And this is trading. Sometimes, you know, you're going to get stopped at BE because that was part of your plan, but price will continue to drive and profit. I mean, you know, not much we can do except focus on the next best trade.
Say hi, everyone.
I know. I really want to cry. What's up, Lele?
I just want to cry. Lele's here. She's bringing in the volume. Everyone's saying, what up, yeah? What up, Lele?
Damn, she really does bring the volume in.
For real. It's not a coincidence. You guys are at, yep, at BE, just straight chilling. Let's go. I don't know. Where'd he go? I don't know. He disappeared. He just vanished. He's working. He's working. See it driving down to 59. 59. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Oh, 59. Way down here. Right? 59. Yeah, we could definitely push here. Definitely. Let's see how we do. Same thing. You get a steep top wick for news. I do like this continued move down here. I don't know where John went. I don't see him. Maybe he went to get a drink or something. He's getting a drink? Yeah, he might be getting a drink. Alright, 3 minutes here. 3 minutes. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Oh.
Oh, nice.
There he is. Yeah, if we can close up there like that, that'd be wonderful. We get kind of the same entry. If we can get like a little pack runner, that'd be awesome.
Right.
Two minutes. Okay, you're gonna go with mommy now. Okay?
2 minutes gold.
Thank you. Love you.
Yo, Green, gold's my boy, bro. Gold's gonna be clutch here.
Okay, 2 minutes left. So first attempt was hit at break even. We'll see what happens next. Oh, thank you, the illest G. Appreciate that.
Yeah, Green, we'll see. I feel you though too.
Yes, baby. Can you go help mommy?
Update the damn record, Nick.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on, Lily. I gotta report to my boss.
Don't make
real
me tell
quick.
you
One sec.
again. DK. Yeah, nice. Pulled back nice for us.
Pull back, oldie.
Yeah, let's
Pull
hopefully
back, pull
news
back.
isn't gonna be too crazy. Hopefully allows us to get it.
I like. Update the record. Yo, the update the record shirts are coming soon. Yeah, we will update the record. Let's wait here, though. So obviously same exact plan again. You're gonna need a top wick first, right? A big push up, and then when it re-breaks the low, that's when we may be going in on this.
I'm going in. Going in.
Going in. What's the 30 look
Let's see.
like? 30 looks good here.
Wow.
Same deal. Same targets here, same parameters, all that. All right, 3, 2, 1. Will we go up first? Oh, yeah, we will. See this?
That's right.
Oh, way too high.
All right, Nick.
Holy-
W for B. W for getting B, bro. Ace.
Well, damn. Interesting here. Interesting. Price is frozen. Frozen.
That was wild.
We definitely went up first.
Definitely made that top way.
This is why you don't hold into news. Exactly. Exactly. All right, nothing there for me. Nothing. See that 4 hour now. Wow.
Holy smokes.
By the way, that's the open of the new futures 4 hour candle. Damn. 100 pips in like a second.
Literally 2 minutes. Damn.
Told you to get out before news. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that.
You saved me today, man.
You saved me, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Put WMB at a logical part of the chart, right? Wanted to be safe rather than sorry, and wanted to give myself an opportunity to make as much out of my winners. But yeah, didn't work out. But yeah, fire.
Oh, time to go down to the 5 minute. Nobody knows nothing, Louis G.
And it's about to be scalping.
A little scalpy. You took a big loss? Damn.
Sorry to hear that.
Don't worry, it's just a small minor pullback. Just move your stop a little bit. Walk it off, my brother.
Damn, bro.
Just walk it off, man. When in doubt, walk it out. I'll walk it out. I'll walk it out.
Word, all good, Captain, bro. What do we do now, man? Like, what is there left to do except try again? Just like a baby, right? If we just like we keep falling, learn how to walk, we got to get back up and try again.
Pick yourself up and try again. Pick yourself up and try again. Try again.
This is a juicer. Holy.
We got a juice box.
Yeah, damn. So
B
what's the wave
luckily
next?
nice. What's up?
What's the wave for you?
The wave is now to catch these moves in the afternoon, I think.
Of course.
We're back in this overall nasty rejection area. Lean with it, rock with it. Yo, we're throwing it back. 2001.
Damn, yeah. So yeah, I'll pull back up in like an hour or so, right back at 11.
All right, bet. Sounds good.
All right, bet. I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Later.
All right, peace, chat. Hope you guys have a good day. The Zoomers, I'll see you guys later today. Let's get it. Good day. Good New York sesh. Peace.
Good job, bro.
Yes, sir. Peace, bro.
Peace. Peace, peace, peace. Who else we got in the Zoom room? The heavy hitters. King Tuffa, how old's your little one? The cutie. 2 months? Congrats, brother. Let's see. Any good questions? Any good questions here while we wait? Louis G about to hit that little some. I'm on a lower time frame. That's fine. That's fine. How do we join the Zoom? You have to just join the Clubhouse. So once you join the Clubhouse, you'll have access to all the Zoom and the webinars and all the live sessions, the Asian session, London session, and the post New York session. See trader down? Uh-oh. Is that right? Can I call it a day at 3%? Yeah, why not? Take your money and go. No need for you to sit here anymore. Call it a day. How does trading affect your family life? Like for better or worse? You know, trading, so for me, I'm not just a trader. I'm a trader that's trying to like impact other traders, you know? So it's like a family victory, you know? Like we're just, the idea is, hey, what do you do every day, Dad? I just help other mommies and daddies get free. So that way, the same way you get to hang out with your mom and dad every day, that way all these other kids can do that too. So that's what they think we do, you know? So yeah, I like to involve Alea. I like to get her in the, you know, in that mindset of like, that's what we do. We set captives free. We help other mom and dads retire from their jobs so they could spend, you know, all the days with their kids, and then their little kids can be just as lucky as you, you know? So I like to involve my family in everything I do. This brand is a family brand, you know? So if it wasn't for my wife holding things down, like making sure I'm available and taking care of kids, I mean, all that kind of helps us, right? So we just kind of do life together. Yeah, I think it helps us, just because we like moving forward. Yeah. Tire my parents, definitely. Definitely. Yep. And yeah, that's why I'm willing to really put in the time and just pour my heart out, because I know even if it just impacts one person, like even if I was the only life impacted in some of the rooms that I went in, it ultimately created a ripple effect, right? That's impacting people all over the world. So I know that if I show up day in and day out and give you guys my all, really, that someone will hear something at some point and it'll click for them, and then maybe, you know, maybe lives will be impacted on their end, because there's a lot of people that I can't reach that you can, you know? So that's why we all work together. I love hiking in the mountains after I trade. I like that, Sam the man. I like it. W Wokey. Going camping. Oh, nice. A lot of you guys camp. How old is my daughter? My daughter is 3. She just turned 3 in February. So my daughter Leia is 3. My son Maverick, he just turned 2 in July, and then the little King Man, he'll be 1 in January. We got some kids, you know, we do a little kids out here. We do a little kids. We do a little kids. What am I using to draw? This is a zoom annotation. Might close back in the range. It might, yeah. What are we doing here? 15 still open. Another sell now. I'm gonna wait on that. Gonna wait. I wouldn't touch it. Damn, your granddaughter's 7? Wow, what a blessing. Wow, that must be interesting, man, to have grandchildren. Like, that's pretty trippy. Like your kids having kids? I mean, what is that like? It's great. Yeah, I bet. Their names, Alea, Maverick, and Kingston. Yeah, those are the kids' names. Alea, we call her Lele. We just call her Lele. Kingston, we just call him Kingman, and Maverick, his name's just too cool to give it any other nickname, man. You don't give Maverick a nickname. That boy too cool. Kingston, yes sir. We call him the little King Man. Yep. I got a, oh nice. Dope. It's the next level of love. Wow. Is it possible to look for buys continuation to fill the wick to the left? To the left. Let's take a look, my friend. Are you talking about this one right here? Yeah, if you are, then yeah, you do have that range there. You got about a 50, really a 80 plus wick fill here, but like a 50 pip advantage point. And yeah, you can definitely fill that wick here. I'm very curious to see how this 4-hour candle does. I mean, popping like that in the first 12 minutes is a bit sketchy. 140 pips there. Damn. Later, dropout trader. See ya. Like the Dallas Mavericks? Yeah, kinda. Actually, we got his name from there's a movie. It was a surfing movie. It was called Chasing Mavericks. Chasing Mavericks. When Anna was pregnant, we just happened to come across that movie super randomly, and Anna was like, "Why don't we name him Maverick?" I was like, "That sounds good. That sounds good." I got a dilemma. The positions I move my stops to BE gets hit, and when not, get some profits, but end up not hitting the final target, reversing for a loss or break even. Any advice? Yeah, you know, sometimes you're just not gonna reach that TP, that partial TP. It happens, but I would just say do your best at looking left to get right when it comes to those advantage points, and that way you're making sure you are securing profits when, you know, the time is right to secure them. I want to look left here, and I want to see, was there something I missed to the left? Not really. It's hard to say. Yeah, I don't think I really missed anything there. Good movie with Russell Crowe. Yeah, I think it was with Russell Crowe. He was like the kid's mentor, right? Yeah, I think he was in it. Sellers are coming back. Let's go. We'll see. We will see. What time is it? It's 10:14. All right. I'll probably stick around till like 10:30, and then we'll move about our day in the clubhouse here. Oh, some of you guys seen the movie? Nice. Yeah, I honestly I'd never heard of that movie before. I didn't think anyone ever heard of it. Love that movie? Damn. Wow. W. The Zilcone. Nice name. Glad you enjoyed the video. Yeah, if you guys want a better understanding about how I trade and how I view the markets on the daily, maybe you guys haven't really seen or got the best explanation of that. So you guys can come over to the channel, go to videos, and then pop in right here. This video here, the Playbook 2.0, this will give you a full detailed explanation on how I like to view the markets. What playbook I use, what setups I look for, the mentality around everything, the mindset. Yeah. Hey, look, there's your boy right there. Mr. Austin Silver. How to day trade gold. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Yeah, so we'll break it down in this video here. It's 42 minutes long, 43 minutes long. Highly recommend grabbing a notebook when you have some time and just breezing through this and kind of studying it and really studying it as much as you possibly can. They make me watch ads. They do, man. They do. I heard, should I be letting my ads play? I heard you only get paid if you let them play through. Is that true? Y'all don't be skipping my ads now. Don't be skipping my ads now. Support your boy. Support your boy. Let me hold something down. Just a Kid's Mentor, Trainer. Yeah, it was a good movie. I like that one. Good. I don't think I've ever seen that movie again. $15 you get paid? Oh, no way. $149 for lifetime? I don't know. Depends on how long you plan on living. I've watched it twice. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Yeah, look at this. Pushing right back down here. Have I seen Fury? Yeah, that was a pretty crazy movie. Yeah, I did see that. That was with Brad Pitt, right? Brad Pitt, right? I think what's his name was in that too? Shia LaBeouf, right? Tell me how my keys be falling out now. This guy Maverick will come in this office every now and then and just yank the keys right off my keyboard. Had to whoop the little homie up. I had to whip him up a sandwich. I whipped him up a sandwich, chat. Sandwich. I whipped him up a sandwich. Had to whip that boy up a sandwich. Told him it's time to eat. Get over here. Knuckle sandwich. Oh, one guy worked on that movie? Oh, nice. Nice, nice. I don't know any actors. Actually, I do. I lied. I know one actor. He's my brother-in-law. He was in a few big movies, few big shows, and I think he was in, what was that one movie called? American Sniper. Yeah, that was probably the biggest one he was in, American Sniper. How do I go about discipline with kids? My kids are still super young, so I'm just messing with y'all, you know. They're young. They're young kids, so they don't know right or wrong. Oh, nice. What movie are we talking about again? Are we talking about the Mavericks again or whatever? Oh, Fury, right? Yeah. Wow, look at this. Nothing. Back in the chop. Yeah, American Sniper. Yeah, he was in that one. It's been a minute since I've been out to LA. Haven't seen much of him. Nothing green, nothing. Any reason for no buys in the 15? Yeah, this is a very random aggressive move. 4 hours still has no bottom wick. That thing happened in like literally less than 5 minutes, I believe. Yes, 5-minute candle. So I don't know. I would expect probably a pushback down. Maybe we get the 15 celery. I'd probably be much more comfortable taking that than just going back in on this 30-minute. That's all over the place right now. Yeah. We need to sell? Do we? Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Yeah, there is a lot of room to the downside still here. So I still like sells here below this range. Chris Kyle, yeah. Oh, no, oh wow, nice. 20 minutes away. Yeah, that was a good movie. Kids are very smart. They really are. I'll be learning a thing or two. What time is it? 10:23. All right, we'll stick around for a few more minutes, and then if we don't get like a celery or something, I'll probably just get going. Moneyball. I don't think I've seen Moneyball. I don't think I have. Or Jerry Maguire, actually. Is it worth watching Hero of the Day? Tell me, man. Tell me. Is it? Let me know. Don't disappoint me. I don't think you would. I don't think you would, but Hero of the Day never disappoints. Watch both. All right, bet. Would I readjust my levels to 84? 84. Oh, based off the 15. No, I don't think I really feel the need to. I think we just have to drag it down a little bit lower there to make up for that. That's about it. Is that 84? No, 85. Oh, I'm sorry, 24.85. Yeah, just slightly move it down a little bit. My bad. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'll check them out. Jerry Maguire. And what was the other one? Moneyball. Okay, cool. Jerry Maguire and Moneyball. I think I've heard of Moneyball. That was with Brad Pitt too, right? Maybe? Yeah. Moneyball is pretty good. I don't even like baseball. Oh wow, probably a good movie then. What'd you guys think of The Big Short? I don't know. It wasn't that exciting to me. Wolf of Wall Street had a little bit more action than that. The Big Short, yeah, The Big Short. I watched it, it was kind of boring. Moneyball is based on a true story. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. Sell? Man, they've been telling us to sell here. I appreciate that, but I'm not going to sell just yet. But I appreciate that signal. Walk. Walk. Watch The Rough Trader. Oh, word. Never heard of that one. Never heard of it. The Big Short. Yeah, that happened, what year did that happen at? That was like 2008 or 9? Or before that, I forget. Did you notice us when you want to entry? I'm not sure I quite understand that. 2008, right? Yeah, 2008. The housing market crash. Man said, yeah. The girls that work at the strip club have about 5 houses right now. They're like, what? Yeah, man. The banks. That was. I remember Bill Clinton passed some law, I believe, and you could basically get a mortgage. You know, like right out of high school. Don't worry about paying it. Can you afford the down payment? Yeah. All right, we good. Yeah, that was just bound to not work. I was an underwriter. Wow, when that was happening, they were basically giving houses away. Yeah, man, that's nuts. That's nuts. Madoff? I actually did watch Madoff. The Bernie Madoff scandal. Yeah, I did see that. That man was finessing for like 40 years. Imagine finessing for 40 years. Sheesh. Dumb Money. I never seen that one yet. Heard it was good. GameStop. Margin call. Yeah, seriously, imagine doing that for 40 years. What a horrible life. How did he sleep at night? 40 long years for nothing. Buys are coming. Buys are coming. Yeah, we'll see if we get a bottom wick here. We'll see. If not, we may have to pick this up in the Clubhouse. First strategy I used, buy signal, get signal, take trade, lose money. That was my first system. I won't say who I bought the signals from. Yeah, so I think we're gonna have some more downside here a little bit later, but it's not gonna go down just yet. Yeah, looks like we need to mess around here for a bit. Yeah, nothing here. 1 hour moving up, or I'm sorry, 30-minute moving up here. No bottom wick. Same thing with the 15. Yeah, I think let's let price cool off a little bit, and then we'll look for some entries here. I would say over the next hour or so. So somewhere around 11:30, I think, if we can get this candle to kind of, you know, die out a bit and look for some new opportunities, right? Either support formed or a break below or something like that. So yeah, I think I'll call it a day here on YouTube. We'll continue on in the Clubhouse for the remainder of the day. And yeah, YouTubers, love y'all, man. Hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys learned a little bit. If you did, give the stream a like. Sub to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And come back tomorrow. We'll be back here tomorrow live. Same time, same place. Doing what we do best. Cool. Cool. Any last minute questions? Comments? Concerns? Anything? Nah, we good? Yeah? Alright, chat. Well, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys tomorrow for a lovely Thursday. And we'll get back to it, man. Subscribe and like the stream on the way out. And we will see y'all mañana. Alright, gang? Later, y'all. Have a great day. Peace. I'm gone.
Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who've been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life, I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come for my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the casket out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start. K to the second letter. Who got the keys to the Jeep and the Hiller? They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm aligned in chiller. My face blue still, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up this God, the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens like the red and black 11s, walking through the pearly gates. Poppy do the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope swerving raves. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break, slaves get freed and the words awake. Ever seen a dope dealer? Cold killer, gold brother crying on the floor with us. Cause your hoe hit him, had a hole in him, now you got a hole in it. Tell him the Dead Sea here. We the new Israel, God really lives here. Watch the sin here, way more to tell. We begin here. We begin here. I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness that KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels, you know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, I done told it all, but I still got more. Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me, sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me, my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the status. Why would I clout chase when God is my daddy? Take all my records, my money, my Grammys, I'm still gonna die richer than you can imagine. Jesus the king, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it poppin'. They see an interview, swear I ain't with it. I say come see what I do in my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking, cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand on my right position. Y'all just gonna have to see when I transition. I can't tell it all, man. Let's go.
When I wanna shake with a word, times and times I've been done in my heart. Got down, but I still be going in hard. Check distraction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, how the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reverses the logic of living first to die.
Saved my soul from getting defeated. Saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. So this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.